Balance is on auto, or?
Yeah.
Yeah, we do, right? Cool. All right. What's going on, guys? So today we're right here at CES in Las Vegas. We're about to take a tour, not just of the show for tech, because you might be wondering why are we here if this is a channel that's primarily focused on manufacturing brands. Well, in 2026, there's been an incredible intersection of robotics, AI, as well as the tools and equipment that you need to be building from home or from a factory. So whether if you own a manufacturing facility or you're starting something to actually launch on your own from home, there's a couple of different vendors we've identified that we're gonna go tour and see how possible is it to build a brand with AI and robotics at an affordable price, because that's what the mission of this channel is, to get you started, to get you going, and to introduce you to some of the latest things that are happening in this world. So right now, if you're watching us on this live, I want you guys to drop a 1. Chat, I need you to drop a 1 if you want us to test some of these machines live. Drop a 2 if you want us to dive more into the AI breakdowns of how the technology functions. Or drop a 3 if we should just run through as many booths as we can and feature as many as possible on this stream. So make sure you guys do that right now, and let us know where you guys are visiting from and what you'd like us to show you here on this tour. So this is the very first time we enter. We're actually taking the tour here together, guys. So we're looking for one vendor that invited us to the show, and it's called xTool. They're right here. They're right here on this thing. Shout outs to xTool for getting us into the show. And we're gonna walk through it. We're gonna see what we find. See, look, like for example, look, check this out over here. I'm sorry, on this side. Like, what is this? It looks like, is this a thing that feeds your dog? I think it's a thing that feeds your dog. Yeah, it is. Interesting. So it's automated, app integrated. Like, this is pretty crazy right here. Yeah, that's the kind of stuff that we're seeing here at the show, is just random things. Let me know if you guys have a dog that you love enough that you'd buy this for, because I'm wondering how much this costs. How much do you guys think this is going to cost? I'm going to ask them real quick. Let's see if somebody's available. It's caught my attention, so let's see. So it's called Pify. My Pify. Is it Pify or Pify? What do you think it is? Pify. Wonder what the story behind Pify is. Hey man, how's it going? We're doing a live stream for YouTube. Okay. You one of the guys behind Pify or Pify?
Pify.
Pify.
Sorry, ask my colleague.
Okay. To come in and.
Yeah.
Perfect. Yeah, no worries. No worries. So it's Pify. I think that's what he said. Pify. Yeah. I want to say it means something with algebraic. Hello, how's it going?
Good.
We're doing a little live stream tour of the whole convention.
Okay, awesome.
So we ran into your booth. It was really interesting.
Yeah.
So this is an automated dog feeding dispenser.
We will call it like a face recognition, multi-pad, smart pad feeders. It's a long name, but the value proposition is multi-pad and face recognition. It's unlike traditional automatic pad feeders. It reads pad's face and delivers the food directly. So it's more like our people use Apple Face ID to open our iPhone.
Are you saying that you have a face recognition for animals?
Yeah, for animals. So it's pretty awesome one.
That's mind blowing.
Yeah. We read animal face, appearance, the fur, the body, and try to recognize each of the breed and each of their names.
So it'll only feed the dog that it's registered to. So if my dog comes over to your house and wants to eat the snacks, it doesn't work.
That's true. So we try to create the ID for each of the pets.
Wow, that's crazy. So what does one of these machines run? Like for somebody to get it into their home, where can they buy it and how much does it run retail?
So you can check out our website, like mypify.com. So Pify is more like a Wi-Fi, so pets Wi-Fi, so we call it mypify.com. And the second one is Chewy, Macy's, Best Buy, and also Amazon. So we have a lot of retail channels. You can feel free to check on it.
Incredible. What do the machines range from price-wise?
So normally we do the machine around 100 to 200 dollars in the box, but right now it's only $99 for the show price only.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow, so I could pick one of these up, $99.
Yeah, right now, and you can serve for up to 3 pads for $99, and no hidden fee, no subscription fee for the app. It's all transparent.
Incredible. All right, so that means I got to go get myself an animal and get myself a Pify.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Appreciate
you.
it. Have a good show. Wow, guys. A face recognition animal feeder. That's the first time I see that. And over here, we're going to show you guys something that looks pretty crazy right now, right? Doesn't that look kind of nuts? What is this? Digital dipstick for urine. What is that? Uniting biology with technology. A urine analysis, wearable saliva-based biosensors? What? Digitally printed lateral flow tests, advanced integrated microfluids. So I'm assuming that this is a model of all the technology you can wear to be fully tech integrated from your head to your toes. Actually, it's missing the toes. There's nothing at the toes. You see, they should have put something at the toes. From head to toe, it could have been a wearable solution provider from head to toe. They missed that one. Interesting. You know, as we're watching this, like I'm seeing the AirPods right there. And a very interesting thing that I just learned is that Apple has a patent on being able to read your mind with the AirPods. You know that? I had no idea. So Apple has a patent that is able to actually read your brain waves and figure out the state that you are, stress level, and all these other data that nobody knows, but it's already integrated into AirPods. Pretty crazy. So as we're seeing this is an EKG scan. I remember wearing this before I entered the academy. I want to push you, but now you can wear it on the everyday basis. I don't know. Pretty advanced stuff. All right, let's go find some robotics and manufacturing stuff. But this is all very, very interesting. Let's see. Okay. This is the very first time I come to one of these shows, so it's been kind of cool to see. Let's see. What do we got? We got Withings. There's some hype over here. A body scan. That's kind of cool. So I think right over there, they're scanning people's bodies in real time. It's like, imagine you're like, man, I've been working out. I think I'm at 19 or 18%. And then bam, it comes out, you're 26% fat. Kind of embarrassing. So I'm not going to get on that thing. Let's see. That's a huge one. That's kind of cool. What? She's going to be brave enough to do it. All right, she's going to show us her stats. All right, chat, guess the body fat percentage, chat. What are we at? Well, I hear 10%. Not 10%. Do I hear 22%? Maybe 24. I think she's at 16? Okay, just here it says 16. I say 24 if I get up there. I don't want to embarrass myself. But this is pretty cool. Let's see what it says. Is it reading your blood in real time? Maybe. Guess we'll see. Cardiovascular, metabolic analysis. All right, where's it at? I want to know. We're all interested in this girl's health score. I wonder if they put it up on the big screen like, boom, you need to work out. That'd be fucked up. I would go viral. All right, let's see. Oh, that takes a while. That is a very long time. Can we ask you a couple questions?
Sure.
Awesome. We got one of the guys involved with Withings. Is that how it's pronounced?
Yeah, Withings.
Okay.
Correct.
So what is the difference between this body scanner and anything else in the market?
So basically, this body scan is really a medical device. So it will focus on like 3 different things: cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and also hypertension. So the idea is like by stepping on the scale, you will have the full overview about your health and your longevity station.
Okay.
So proof and it's back, it's also will be FDA approved. So it's really medical stuff.
So it's not just a body fat percent. You're 19, you weigh 150 pounds.
You will have it as well, that's for sure. You will have a segmental body composition, but on top of that, you will have much more. You will have, for example, hypertension risk. You will have also your glycemic index. You will have your longevity score. So, for example, if you are going to live longer, like 2 years longer or 2 years shorter, and you will have as well your earth age.
Wow, interesting. You know, for a second we thought you guys were going to throw it up on the score and just tell everybody this is what your health is.
No, obviously for confidentiality reason, we need to send it by email.
That would have gone viral.
Definitely.
You are fat. You need to work out more.
I don't know if it's name and shame, man.
We're in Vegas, man. We're in Vegas. No, this is a really cool machine, man. This is really cool.
It is actually really.
It's legit.
We're really proud of it, and we have a full ecosystem actually of medical products. But this one is really the concentrated of everything we can do.
Okay, so then can people buy this and put it into their own homes, or how does this work?
Yeah, so basically the product is not out yet. It will be like in June on the American market. And yeah, you can buy it on the website, Amazon or Best Buy. You can buy it everywhere, and then you can install it at your home.
That's pretty cool, man. Awesome. I appreciate you.
Thank you so much.
Yep, likewise.
Have a good fair.
That's pretty cool. So a lot of these products are being sold on Amazon. A lot of these products are being sold at actual retailers, which makes this show really unique for that. It's not something that's got to be like wholesale bought. You can buy it at the consumer level. How are we looking in terms of distance from camera? Like, is it a cropped or face? It's good? Cool, perfect. All right, you guys, if you're watching us right now live in the chat, drop some of your questions. We're gonna be answering them. The team's gonna be going through them. And we're gonna keep looking until we find the vendor that we came for. Man, I'm overwhelmed. I'm stimulated by the lights. Show everybody all the lights, man. Yeah. What? Look at that over there. What is that? Show that over there. What is that? Okay, that's an AI chip creator, I think. So it's AI chips to innovators, a bunch of chips. So I would say they're a competitor to NVIDIA. Yeah, probably a competitor to NVIDIA. That's cool. All right, I see it. We're gonna go check that out in a second. Let's go see where we can find the other machines and equipment. All right. You know, walking through these shows can be a little like, the first time I went to a trade show, it was very intimidating to just show up, you know, and now I'm here with a camera watching you guys bring me with you, or bring you guys along with me, so it's a good time. This looks kind of cool. I don't know what it is, but I think we should check it out. Very well branded. I would give them a 5 out of 5 stars on their booth. It's pretty sick. Pillars to development of electronic products. So I would say this is a maker of different devices, or maybe the computer chips themselves. I think it's the motherboards themselves that they're selling. Software defined everything. Okay. So you guys more of like the motherboards and chip maker? Oh. How's it going? We can swing back around if he's busy. Awesome. All right, you guys, we're gonna get the scoop of what this is. I would say this is, I mean, I saw one of those meters. I think it's a light meter from your house. Pull up. How's it going? John Santos, nice to meet you. Regis, nice to meet you. So what exactly do you do here? More the electronic side and AI circuitry, or?
So we provide software technologies like Android on very small processors that fits into very small embedded systems, like you can see in all automation systems. And we provide the Android way of developing apps. So apps could be AI, could be a nice graphical user interface, could be connectivity to the cloud to enhance the user experience and so on.
So you guys are able to integrate any technology as an Android device, tech-enabled it.
Yeah, exactly.
Very cool, very cool. Where are you guys based out of?
So we are based in France and in the United States. So we have offices in Paris, and we're in Boston and San Francisco.
Incredible. You know, coming to these types of shows, like you never really know who's behind what products, but it was kind of like what caught my attention about this booth was your little logo here, your color scheme.
Yeah.
Very well branded. So you guys did a great job.
Yeah, that's why we try. You know, we are a young company. We are just 15 years old company. So we try to have a nice branding so people can recognize us because it's a new technology. I mean, Android on small processors doesn't exist anywhere in the world.
Wow.
So we try to have a very big footprint.
Incredible. I mean, I'm seeing
Even the
like
shoes.
even the shoes,
Yeah,
tech-enabled
the
shoes.
shoes. Yeah.
What are the shoes doing right now? They're tracking your footsteps, or?
No, that's a brand.
Oh, that's the brand. All right, they made some shoes from head to toe, integrated anywhere. That's incredible. That's cool.
Okay.
That's what's up. I love it, man. Great work. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank
you.
Where can they find you guys?
Sorry.
Online. What is your website? Is it called MicroEJ?
MicroEJ.com.
MicroEJ.com, guys. If you guys are starting out and you're really looking to tech enable your products, these are the guys. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you. Take care. Bye.
Awesome. All right, so we got Robo Rock. It's a, oh, check out that robot. Oh, that feels good. Oh man. More air, please. Oh yeah, that's the spot right here.
You can feel it.
Is that good for you? I don't know if it is. What is this? A hair dryer?
Yeah, it's actually a portable vehicle. It's the strongest in the world.
Oh wow, so you aren't kidding.
Yeah.
How does this work? Oh wow. Oh, that's the instant cool blast right there. That's innovative stuff right there.
What do you guys do?
We're live. We're going live on YouTube. So yeah. So tell us a little bit about your company. What is this? How did you invent it? How much does this cost? Where can they buy it?
Yeah, I used to live in New York, lost my wife to cancer, and then I
Sorry about that.
have 3 small kids, and I moved to a ski resort. And there's no good dryers for skiing, and for ski boots and gloves. So then we invented this little fellow here.
It dries your stuff.
Yeah, and this became the world's fastest dryer. So we sold about 150,000 of these, and then we started with the smaller products. And now we're doing battery powered, like this one.
Yeah, that's insane. I don't think that's good for you.
This one.
I think it could cause blood clots.
So this is a hairdryer, like similar to the Dyson, and then you turn it into a boot dryer when you're traveling. And we're sponsoring all like Olympic snowboarders. We have natural selection tour. You know.
Did you put your clothes in there, or what do you?
Yes.
Oh wow.
No, this is for your boots.
Your boots. Okay. Yeah. That's cool. That's cool.
And then you can also do a bag. See that bag?
Yeah. The travel bag.
Attaches, and then you can dry your whole outfit.
Wow. That's very innovative, man. Okay, so this is the product right here. So you can go from head to toe, dry yourself off, do all kinds of cool stuff. Where can they find you guys? Where can they buy this?
Hedgehog dryers.
Hedgehog Dryer, guys. Make sure you guys check it out. HedgehogDryer.com. Available, I'm assuming, retail stores, Amazon.
Yeah. I'll show you. Come in.
All right, let's go. This guy's got one of the most interactive booths. Oh, all right here. Boom, everywhere. That's so cool, man.
If you're in Europe, you got the stuff there as well.
So how long have you been doing this business for?
We started selling in 2021, October 15, and now we're in 2,500 stores. We're doing pretty good. We're making money.
Incredible.
Yeah.
So what advice do you have for people that are looking to get into stores? What were some of the hardest parts that you had to overcome with a new product?
Well, like the first one we got into was Lowe's in the US, and that was through a competition. So it was like, it was called Into the Blue, but basically it's the hardest thing you can do is to get hold of the buyer. You can use like all these agents and all these middlemen, which are going to tell you they know the buyer, but you just have to have a really, really good product, and then email, phone call, and be persistent. It takes like up to a year to get to close a deal. So the business model of us, like, we don't have investors.
It's all self-funded.
Yeah, all self-funded. And how you do that, that's kind of the key difference, because all these startups are going online first, and then you have to have a warehouse, you have to produce the product, and then you have to do a ton of marketing to get somebody to buy it because it's online, So what we did is, like, we got hold of the buyer of the biggest chain, which was these ones.
Okay.
Which is the same
Some of
as
the
Best
bigger
Buy. And they liked the product so much, they ordered 3 containers in the first meeting, $1.1 million. And then we went to the bank and got a loan with a contract. And voila! This way you get paid up front, and then you sell those invoices, and then you get paid up front, and that's how it's called sales financing.
Yep.
It's easier to sell a container for $500,000 than actually get $500,000 in investment with somebody taking half your company and all that stuff.
All right, so you did it all through the bank sales finance, invoice financing.
Yep.
That's awesome, man. That's incredible.
It's all about finding a niche, which that's also the second thing is that if you go look at this one, warm and nice.
Yeah.
And this we won, like, you know, we won over Shark Ninja, Dyson and all that. It's stronger, but it's 1/3 of the price.
Wow.
And the problem is that all these chains are in bed with those existing suppliers.
With the Dysons, with all those guys.
And they have like been taking the buyer out for dinner and the family, So coming in with something revolutionary in a business like segment which is so strongly it's such a foundation, it's super hard because they don't want to let somebody in which kind of destroys their
relationship and
yes.
that's
so if you select something that like shoe dryers, nobody cared about shoe dryers, it's a dead industry, then you can swoosh in. So you have to do something which is 10 times better than what exists.
That's incredible advice, man.
Yeah, because like the iPhone, there's a reason why it's successful, because all the phones were pretty crap. And they came in and voila,
made something nice.
Yeah.
So what do your kids think about you now? You have 3 of them, so how old are they?
5 of them.
5? You have 5 kids? Wow.
5 now.
I have 3 myself.
Yeah, so it's 2, 4, 10, 12, and 14.
Wow,
so
man, you're in like all stages.
Yeah. So I love it. Like, it's so cool. It's like a whole mafia, controlling the house.
What do they think about everything you do?
They're models. So.
Oh, they're the models.
So you see them here.
That's cool. Hey, family business. You got to get the family integrated into your marketing.
Yes. So these.
Oh, that's cool. Wow, that's a whole family. The whole book is his family.
This is from the roof.
Oh, of the house. That looks so. That looks so cool, man.
Yeah.
It's a very well done photo shoot.
Yeah.
Even that is something that gets creative. You guys did it in a headquarter office with your family.
Yeah. So all that is. These are some of the engineers, the designer.
Nice.
It's a company with a lot of friends, and it's like 100% family company.
That's incredible, man. That's amazing. So Bjorn, John Santos.
Yeah. Hedgehog dryer. What's your YouTube?
John Santos. Yeah. Just
xTool.
Yep. It's just John Santos,
and
that's
what's the YouTube handle?
Oh, John Santos.
John Santos.
Yep.
That's all.
Just JOHN Santos. Yeah. Take a picture. I'll get you my contact info too. That way we can connect. I love your story.
Because
we're actually here out of Vegas. So this is my. Oh man, it's got an update.
John Santos, YouTube.
Yeah.
Hey,
and Yasir.
Okay, cool.
Yasir.
Because
awesome.
we can do a collaboration, and if you want to do a giveaway or something,
that'd be awesome.
We'll give you products. And then,
that'd be sick.
Do you snowboard or ski?
I do a lot of sledding with the kids.
Yeah, do you do boxing?
I do boxing. Yeah, boxing
so we
and
have,
workouts.
Floyd Mayweather uses our dryers to dry.
For the boxing gloves.
Yeah, so we have
cool.
them here in the money gym.
Okay, that's really cool. Yeah. I'm about to go over there actually. Yeah, I'm about to get a membership over there. Yeah. So it's a fun gym.
Yeah. And you see them on the wall there.
Yeah. Exactly. Incredible. All right, we'll be in touch.
Good luck.
Thank you. Hey, that was. Yes. Yeah, let me grab your card actually. Yep. We'll follow up. I'll send you the link once to the channel. Appreciate it. Thank you. That was a really cool interview, man. Like, that guy just literally started blowing us with air. I was hot. I'm like, I need air. So he saw how sweaty I looked, and he provided a solution, which is the hook and intro to how you can start building relationships and closing sales. I think right there was a perfect illustration and really good conversation. So if you guys missed that last little interview we did, I highly encourage that you guys watch the replay, because he broke down how he got started bootstrapped this whole business and how you should enter and think about entering a market, because a lot of times when we're looking to start up a new brand, sometimes we're just so focused on what we're doing that we're not seeing what's missing. You know, so every industry is missing something. What product can you produce and make at a price that people are willing to pay for, that they'll adopt your brand versus the others? So let's keep walking over here. Make sure you guys are dropping your questions in the chat. I don't have my phone running the chat right now, but we got our team running it, so we'll be answering them as we go. And let's see what we got here. This is a very big place, man. This is crazy. So I think those are the robots that were cutting grass earlier. We got an automotive camera radar. I don't even see booth numbers anywhere. Do you see booth numbers this year? Booth numbers? Yeah, booth numbers. I don't see booth numbers. So we just kind of aimlessly walk around. All right. Kind of cool. So these are spaces. What up, man? How's it going? John Santos. Nice to meet you, brother. So you guys are selling private offices?
Yeah, like the office furniture for the fitting chairs and a lot of things that's as a meeting point.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh, wow.
Yeah,
So,
this is standing desk with a walking treadmill.
this is pretty cool. This is. Can I try it?
Yeah, yeah.
All right. So there's a folding desk with a walking treadmill. So you just get the. All right. Show the camera. Oh, and then you could just.
Yeah, 3, 2, 1, you can adjust the speed.
That's pretty
Now
cool.
it's 0.6 miles per hour.
0.6.
It's gonna go up to 4 miles per hour.
4 miles an hour. All right, let's crank this thing up. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, so it's like a nice speed walk at 4. Pretty good.
And then we can also adjust the height.
Yeah.
It's too fast.
It's a little too fast. That's cool. Oh, I like this. This is sick.
It's also power. Adjust the height. See that?
Okay.
Going up.
So you can adjust the height of this too?
See?
I do see it. Wow.
Yeah.
So the whole desk is customizable from top, bottom. All right. So one of
You can up the standards up.
One of the issues I have with the treadmill, because I have this setup in a DIY build. You know, I got a walking treadmill. It's got the vibration plate.
Okay.
The issue I have is I always have to put the treadmill away to bring the chair in.
How we solve that?
How have you solved it? How did you solve that?
Yeah, so I can show you.
All right, so that was a big problem when I started getting a treadmill. I couldn't fit my chair in there, so. What is this doing?
By hiding it underneath something.
Hiding it. That's pretty badass. That's pretty cool. Are the chairs robotic too? You're gonna tell me that it drives itself?
It's just a fitness chair.
A fitness chair.
Fitness chair, yeah.
Can you pedal
well
and
exercise?
you could walk around the office with it?
No.
Oh, that'd be kind of cool.
Just for
Just-
with the standing desk.
So instead of just sitting there, you're exercising.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
These guys are forward thinking, man. They're all about the. Yeah.
Thank you.
Incredible, man. Appreciate it. This is great. We're gonna where can they find you guys? What's the website? Where can they buy products?
At Juvivo.us.
Vivo.us. Incredible. You guys have a card or anything?
Yeah,
Look.
my card. Here's my card.
Cool. Awesome.
I'm Peter. That's
Awesome.
Peter
John Santos will be on YouTube.
Thank
Yep.
you. Give me that.
Yep. It's pretty cool. He said, I solved your problem, my friend. And I said, chat, let me know if we should follow up for a free treadmill. It looked like a nice treadmill. It functioned like a treadmill. All right, let's see where we're going. Let's see where we're going. All right, left, right, which way should we go? There's such a big booth. What is a maze fit? It almost seems like this is all the fitness stuff. So, except for that, that's a patio. Okay, I see a booth number finally. We're at 52. Grant Fisher. This is kind of cool. I think this is smart. Zep Health brand. Let's see. I think this is just like a what? Let's see. Hey man, how's it going? Hello. Is this like WAP? Are you guys like a fitness tracking
Yeah,
devices?
maybe they can reply to you with more accurate information.
Yeah, no worries.
So the PR people.
No worries. We'll swing back around.
Okay,
Yep.
thank you.
Good. Like a whoop. Legos? What is this? Democratizing playtime. See? What does it say? Democratizing playtime. Oh wow. It's cameras. So you guys make cameras? What do you do here? John Santos.
Sam.
Nice to meet you.
Rehome, where you make smart home products, smart home accessories.
So tech-enabled homes.
Yeah.
You know, one of the things that I find, because I recently bought a new build and it was marketed as tech-enabled, and it was just a panel with a tablet that opened my garage and controlled some of my lights. Is that kind of the extent of what smart homes are? What do you guys do?
Well, you know, we know that the smart home is going to be, that's where the future's going. Everybody wants to have a connected home. When everything talks to each other, I think that's like the ideal smart home.
Yeah.
And our belief is that when the smart home does things for you without you having to do anything,
that's the real smart home.
That's
See,
a real smart
that's what I thought I was buying into, and it's like, oh, unlock your door. I'm like, this doesn't do anything for me.
Anybody that's telling you that right now today, yeah, no. But I'll tell you, it's happening pretty quick, and I wouldn't be surprised if in the next year you'd be able to talk to your smart home and it comes back to you.
Do you remember watching that movie on Disney?
Smart home?
Smart home, right? Is that where you see it going?
I hope not, because she tried to do stuff to some people in that family, but that's the idea. That was really, we talk about that all the time in my house, the smart home movie.
The smart home movie. I need to watch it again.
I tried to. Yeah. It's a little hard to watch.
It's kind of boring, right? I'm trying to watch like 5 minutes. Oh, this is garbage.
A little hard to watch the movie now. But
that's awesome. So they can find you online on Amazon, or how do they get a hold of you?
Yeah, so you can visit our website, rehome.com. We're on Amazon, and this is our brand new smart lock with Matter, Thread, and we have Apple Home keys.
That's cool.
So you just take your phone,
tap
iPhone, and just tap it up to the lock.
Opens the door.
Good to go. You're golden.
Incredible, man. I appreciate it. Thanks again. Yep.
Nice to meet
We'll be in touch. We'll see your stuff. Caught my attention, the bricks, and then I saw democratizing. I said, democratizing playtime? What's going on over here? Caught my attention. You guys are good. Oh, yeah? Oh, wonder if I could lay on this thing. Been looking for a good bed. Hello, John Santos. Nice to meet you.
Marketing here in
awesome. What is this exactly? The bed caught my attention because my back sometimes hurts. I'm looking for a new one. What does this do?
This is exactly what you're looking for. So at Stareep, we provide ultimate customization for your recovery and your sleep.
Interesting.
So this bed, maybe you can try it on.
Yeah.
Let me get my.
So she says this is a mat that helps you recover. I want to learn more about that. CES is kind of cool, man. You get to see yourself. You get to try out new beds.
So this bed, we have the AI mattress and also combined with the intelligent bed bases. So what they do, like we have ultimate customization. For example, you sleep on the bed, you can customize the firmness and also different part of your body you can support. You can choose to support.
So if somebody sleeps on the right, I sleep on this side, I wanted more start, it's different.
Yes, you and your partner can set the firmness separately without it disturbing each other.
Wow.
And also we have this intelligent bed basis. So during your sleep, someone might snore. So we have this intervention.
Wow. Or wakes them up, slaps them in the face. Like, hey, get up, stop snoring.
That's too brutal. So when the best, like the whole surface, like sensing precise sensing spot, sensing motors. So when it detects that you're not breathing smoothly, it would gently raise your shoulder a bit to open your airway.
That's
so
really
you can
cool.
sleep better.
That's incredible.
Yes. And so when you lie down on the bed, So before we have, you know, when you talk about sleeping problems, not only about physically but also mentally. We have this cradle-like motion sensors, cradle-like mode.
It'll
rock you
cradle,
like a baby.
Rocks you like a baby?
No matter how old you are.
What?
Really? So you can sleep on it.
It's like an adult snoo? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
My baby
Like
sleeps
that.
good in the
So
snoo.
also we have massage, we have movie mode, over 30 modes, and also for women we have, like for someone, we have a graphene for your waist and for your feet for warm up your body for bed. Yeah.
It does all of that on this bed?
All of them on the back.
What?
So you can try it.
Can I try it? Let me try it. All right, do I gotta take my shoes off? I'm gonna take my shoes off. Make sure I don't mess up the bed. Okay. Should have worn nicer socks. I said I should have worn nicer socks.
No need to take.
Oh, no need to take off the shoes? All right, I'll keep my shoes on then.
So right now, we'll get our employees, like team members, they come and to adjust the bed. But right now, you can sleep on it and feel it.
Let's try it. I want to try this. So this bed does.
15 seconds, you'll feel that
You
the
feel the
bed
difference.
adjusting to your body.
It reads your body.
Yes. For example, like, do you work out?
I do.
You do. So you must, sometimes when you sleep sideways, your body is not that even. But we make sure that your body adjusts to your body type. No matter like toss or turn, make sure that your
Let's see.
pressure distribution is even.
All right, so within 10 to 15 seconds, this is a very.
I already said this firm is a bit.
I like the.
That one is
Okay, it's softer. I actually like the firmer one.
So like the U.S. people, they prefer softer than that.
They do, right?
Asian people
I like firmer.
Yeah.
So it's sensing my body right now.
You can feel it, right?
I am. It's moving.
Yeah.
Interesting. So does it have like springs that move in there?
Actually, we have this dual layer of these chambers. One layer, they control the firmness, better support. Another layer, they're in charge of like the adaptation to your body, better contours.
Interesting.
So, yeah.
Wow. I could feel it. I could feel like little things moving.
And massage.
Very interesting.
We also have, you know, the T3 mode, like T3 pad, the temperature regulation.
Wow. Okay, so it also regulates your body temperature. Like if I want it colder.
If you want a cooler temperature. Your partner wants something
Hotter,
warmer.
right.
For special occasions, you can set differently.
Oh wow, that's really cool. So you can adjust the temperatures. It contours towards your body.
Yeah.
Honestly, this is a very comfortable bed. I would say this is very comfortable. So comfortable, I might actually fall asleep now.
I think it's pretty good that we have a competition challenge and try not to sleep.
Right, try not to sleep, right? No, this is actually very comfortable, guys. I feel like, have you turned on the snoo feature? How does the snoo feature work?
The cradle feature?
Yeah, I want to. So snooze are like.
So many people are connected.
Ah, that makes sense. That makes sense. Yeah, that makes sense. Very comfortable bed.
Yes.
Oh wow. I feel my back pain because I have like lower back pain. It feels good. I don't feel much pain.
Okay, so right now I'll be turning on this cradle mode.
Oh, cradle mode. We're about to turn cradle mode on, guys.
Like a baby.
Like a baby. Let's see. I mean, this is very comfortable bed. Oh, okay. It's moving. It's like a snake. I feel my feet. My feet are moving up. Is the bed rising over there? It feels like my feet are moving up. Okay, I feel the feet higher. Ah, yeah, this is good stuff. This is actually a very comfortable bed. Chat, drop a 1 if you buy this. Oh, okay. Now I feel like it lifted.
I know they're working on the connection.
I feel like it kind of went like this. Okay, it's like lifting up from my head.
Yeah, it's lifting up.
Wow, this is like a couch. It feels like a couch.
We have movie mode.
Yeah, movie mode. That actually feels like a very comfortable couch. Wow.
And underneath the intelligent bed bases, and like 7 plus 1 pieces together, like finely joined bed bases, ergonomically support your body more. Right now you can feel the cradle.
Yeah. Wow. So it's gonna be going. Okay, I'm feeling something. I feel it. Interesting. Very legit bed. All right, chat, how much do you think this is gonna run retail? Let's see. This is cool. Very comfortable. All right, chat. Tell me what you think. Oh wow, the whole bed.
Movie mode. So even at the movie mode,
Yeah.
the extra piece can support your
It supports the lower back.
Yes.
That's very nice. Wow. Honestly, this is a very cool bed. It's a bed, it's a couch. It's a
It's a bed adjusted to your body.
Wow.
Your needs.
Super comfortable. So where can people buy this at?
Right now we have Chinese retail store, like already 30 stores.
Okay.
And there will be more 45 this year.
This year.
But we already have stores in Dubai,
Nice.
Apparel, and also Malaysia. It will be open on February. U.S. market, this is our goal here today. CES.
To open it up.
Opportunities, partners, distributors here.
This is awesome. This is a great bed. I love this bed. I've tried a lot of beds. This one was definitely comfortable. Is this the queen? Is this a queen or a full?
This is a size like Chinese size, but there will be more queen size, king size according to the market that we go in.
That makes sense. Wow. Very nice bed. I am very impressed with this
And
bed.
after you sleep,
Yeah.
waking up motion, so the bed will know whether you are in your deep sleep mode or shallow one. So we'll set an alarm clock at 8. It'll wake you up at a shallow sleep stage.
Oh, that's really cool. This
and
is
also
so
you'll be
cool.
receiving a report every day that so
Of your
you
sleep
know
score.
we have over 30 like data, your heart rate, your sleeping quality, everything that you
all
get.
while you're sleeping? It measures your heartbeat?
No, it not measure. Yeah, it measures your sleep, and also it intervenes when they detect that you have trouble sleeping. And you also get a report. You know more about your lifestyle. They give you like recommendations how to sleep better.
Such a cool bed. All right, now the question: how much can I buy this for once it's in stores? What does it range?
It's our product range from $1,500 to $15,000. Depends on. But this one you can intervene and snore, right?
Has everything.
So also we have that anti-snore pillow from $1,000.
Okay.
That's just one single thing that can help you with a better sleep. But this one,
This is everything.
This mattress around $7,000, and this one around $1,000.
That's not bad. Wow, that's very affordable, especially with what they're charging for mattresses without this technology. Very cool. I love it. So where can they find? Where is the website going to be at? Where they can find it? Is it the Stars?
Yeah, Stareep.
Stareep.
Yeah, Stareep.com, and also here's my
awesome.
card.
Appreciate it. I will be in touch. I'll be following up. This is a really cool bed.
Yeah.
Great work, guys.
It's a great investment.
You have to check out this bed when you see it in one of the bed stores.
Yes.
Thank you. Very nice talking to you.
Thank you.
Wow. Honestly, that actually like really.
That's awesome.
That was a very impressive bed. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I had like a neck pain for a little bit, and the way it was massaging and moving, that was a game changer, man. That's cool. Innovation at its finest. Taking a problem, making it better. All right, let's see if we can find our booth. So we're at 52, which we gotta find 54. If you guys are joining us right now, we're inside of CES. We just had a little nap break over there, and we've been touring this show, bringing you guys the latest in technology, as well as AI, and things that you can implement into your business, whether you're starting something in manufacturing, out of a factory, or out of a bedroom. We're about to tour some of those places right now, and then we're gonna just take you and show you what's really here. Bring some creative juices, ask questions to some of these founders and owners of these companies to give you the game and help you continue to grow from the ground up. All right, so if you're joining us, drop a question in the chat right now. I'm gonna be answering them in real time. And now we're at 51. So I think it goes 51, 52, 53, so we're gonna have to go that way over there. So we're gonna be going this way. Okay, so that's dead. All right, we are at 54. We're looking for 54, so it should be over here somewhere. We got a robot over there that plays tennis with you. Very interesting. A tennis robot. That's kind of cool. Look at him go. Wow, check that out. How does he hit the ball back? Oh, wow. That's kind of cool. So as you hit it, it'll shoot another one at you in the direction that you hit. This is a very good beginner practice, I'm assuming. That robot's definitely going to be triggered in the future. It's going to attack the owner. Like, don't be hitting me. There's some futuristic stuff right here, man. It's something you see out of Fallout, you know? All right, let's check something else out. We got 53. Another sleep bed. A robot that does your laundry. Okay, I gotta check this out. This is exactly what I need. I just spent a couple hours doing laundry the other day and I said, I need a robot for this. What does it do? How does it work? We want to see it fold some laundry. Oh, wow. It looks a little...
It's like they're on break.
Yeah, it's like he's got a snack break. It should be folding clothes, buddy. Should be automated. We're waiting for the next presentation. I think we are. I don't know if you could do that. Look at that. Can he really extend the...
That's definitely
I don't know. I think that's AI imagery. But that's kind of cool. He makes your coffee. Look at that. He can make your coffee. Oh, wow. He could do your dishes and cook you food. I don't know. Wow. All right. We got to see this in action, guys. Wonder if it can screen print some t-shirts and heat press some clothes. Interesting. The Switchbot by Onero. Wow. He's just walking around your house owning it. Look how careful he is and gentle he is with your clothing. All right, I need to talk to somebody here. Where are the guys? I think they're all tied up. We're gonna come back to this one. This one's kind of cool. Let me know what questions we should ask. All right. That's insane. That's crazy. If that thing can heat press, make your brand, you just got yourself a full-time employee right there. All right, what do we got? Where is it? Oh, I think I see the booth. It's the X over there, green. Green for the money. All right. Oh, they're building parks in homes. Nothing beats a Beatbot. Interesting slogan. What does its Beatbot do?
Look at that smart corner.
Is it a dancing robot? Thought it was a dancing robot. It's a cleaning robot. Cleans your pool. Interesting. The Beatbot. Nothing beats a Beatbot. They should have definitely done some cool stuff. I don't know. It's a pool cleaner, it looks like. Which is kind of cool.
Underneath, like 5 trees.
A lot of times it's hard to clean the bottom of the pool. And
Leaves and bugs and birds.
all right, let's see. What else we got? Massage chairs. Oh, everybody's crowding this booth. They're like, hell yeah. About to get myself a free massage. What is this? What is this? Dare to put your hand in the mouth of truth. I don't know, you sir. Better be careful, man. Ah! What did it do?
It was just...
What?
Yeah, I don't know. I didn't even do anything.
It's chomping my hand. I don't know, it looks like witchcraft. Mouth, it's a hand massager.
Oh, I didn't feel anything.
Hand
It closed. Never mind.
It's kind of a random thing to have on there. The mouth of truth.
For a kid, that's really nice.
Yeah, definitely gonna go check out some toys in a sec. All right, what do we got here? This right here reminds me of like the first time I was a kid and I went to Walmart and there was all this stuff I'd never seen in my life. And I'm like, oh, what's that? What's that? That's the kind of randomness that's here, but innovative. It is, right? Like, oh, what does that thing do? Walmart doesn't have it like that anymore. They just got the basics. You want a t-shirt? All right, so we got xTool. We just made it to xTool. What is that? Kalmar. All right, you guys, so we've been walking this show. We've been showing you guys all kinds of different stuff. And right now I want to dive into one of the actual booths that are specializing in printing from home. What does that mean? This means that they're not just giving you the supplies, they're giving you the equipment to monetize your craft. And we're gonna check out some of their new technology right here at this booth at CES. Shout outs to xTool for bringing us in. And they got a lot of different things. So the F2 Ultra, which is a laser engraver. They got UV printers, they got DTG, they got all kinds of stuff. So we're gonna ask for a nice detailed tour and we'll see who is available to give it to us. Let's see, I'm gonna ask for somebody. Walk around. How's it going, man? You know if Alita's here by any chance?
Marketing.
Alita in marketing?
Oxygen boutique in Georgia.
Hello. Is Alita here? John. Yep.
Me too.
John Santos. I was talking with Alita, I think.
I think you want to do an interview?
Yeah. Just kind of take a tour with somebody that wants to speak on a couple of different things happening here.
I think we can ask our CFUS manager.
Over here?
Yeah.
Cool. That works.
With a presence in over 200,000.
It's Tom?
Stan is our US manager, and I think he can show you around.
Perfect. That works. All right.
I know which TV or...
I'm with YouTube. So we're doing a YouTube. Yeah, YouTube. I was speaking with Alita, I want to say. Yeah, Alita. Is she here or no?
She's my colleague.
She's your colleague. Okay, but she's not here. Okay.
Alita is belong to our marketing team.
Got it. But she's not here. Got it. Okay. That makes sense. This is really cool. You guys got a lot of different equipment. There's a lot of stuff happening right here, guys. So I want to get one of the main marketing people to walk us around and explain what's going on. You guys have Make Block, which is a school thing, right?
Yeah.
That's actually really cool. I'm really impressed with that.
But actually, it's also being our part of our actual education. Yeah,
right.
We call it actual education.
Yep.
And I can find our brand manager in the US, Montana or Chloe, who can guide you to have a tour.
Awesome.
Just wait a second.
Yeah. We'll wait around here. Let's come over on this side so it doesn't flag music. Yeah, this has been a very, very innovative booth. They have a lot of different machines from 3D printing to lasers to apparel printing to Make Blocks, which is an educational platform that does like the 3D robotics, so STEM. Very interesting company. It's called xTool, which is well branded. I would definitely give them that. They branded it pretty well. You want to grab like a little, maybe some B-roll of some shots, just as we prepare for this. We got a couple different things coming up, guys. Drop your questions in the chat. We're going to be diving into them in real time as we answer in this Q&A. Hello. Okay, we got somebody coming.
This is Montana and our brand manager.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Hi, Montana. John Santos. Nice to meet you. Awesome. So we got invited out here by Alita, who is on your team and overseas, right? Is it Leah? Yeah. It has an A in front of it, so I wasn't sure how to pronounce it. Awesome. So we want to take just like a quick snapshot of everything that's available right now, because I see a lot of different things. So figured, I don't know if you're the best person to talk to, and we can powwow and answer some questions.
Sure, I think I can give you the overview of it, but like as in technical, we have these people with their xTool jackets that can help answer questions. However, if there was a customer, you won't get the technical questions, which won't be as effective for your video.
Got it.
So, I don't know if that's what you want to
Yeah, I guess we could just give us an overview, and then we'll dive in on the technical side with things a little bit later.
Let's start over here.
All right.
It would go around like that.
All right, that works. All right, you guys, so we're getting the booth overview of xTool. It's a massive location right here at CES. And like I said, they started with a lot of different equipment. So
our metal fab, which is really popular. This machine right here, we have live welding.
So this is the actual, I didn't know you guys made this big of equipment.
Yeah, so this is the actual product
That's
right
the cutter
here.
right there. Right.
This lady is leaning on right here.
That's the actual engraver and the cutter, right? So
it's really amazing art pieces. Here's a couple of like the steel options you can have, the cutting effect.
These are some of the things that you could do within this machine. So was this the machine that started you guys off? Or?
No, it's the laser engravers.
The laser engravers.
That's where the DIY area is.
Okay, the DIY.
And then within our portable workstation, we'll go around as well. Okay. So our main audience are small business, which are like Etsy owners and everything of those customization nature, and then B2B.
Okay.
You know.
Is this fairly new, or has this been around?
Fairly new.
Okay, I haven't seen this.
Yeah, this is a really popular desired product.
Okay.
We usually have live welding, but I think there might be having it around this side.
So all of that intricate looking metal work.
Yeah, a lot of cool art. Do you have any technical questions? We can answer them for you right now.
Okay, cool. Yeah.
No, we can keep going.
Yeah, we'll keep going. I'll come back to them. So
this is like the main DIY hub, if you want to call it. So this is the newest product that we have, the F2 UV. So what's really cool and what's different, so a lot of our other engravers are either really portable, but they all really do a lot of great engraving on like a wood or a plastic type or like a metal, and even some like colored engraving as well. So for the UV that you'll see around the way as our newest product, they have the engraving on the inside.
I was seeing that right now.
Yeah, which is really cool. So you can understand, you can watch right here.
Come check this out.
Let me move out of your way.
Check out how this one works. So it's got the inside, that's the F2 Ultra UV engraver. Very interesting. So it's essentially, it'll actually UV and color as well, you're saying?
Yeah. So this what she's doing right now will not be color.
Okay.
It's there's a kiosk, which is like that big iPad looking screen, where it's like a interactive experience, especially good for like a retail storefront, for like a premium brand like Milan. So customers can come up and have like, you know how stores have activations?
Yeah, the activations for like customizing certain products.
And it's fun. You can watch it and everyone can be involved in it. So that's a fun moment. And that's kind of like the overall idea of like I would call it, say, those types of engravers. And then we can go around, let's see. Let's walk this way because I want to show you the apparel printer.
The apparel printer is one of the newer pieces of tech that they have.
And my favorite. So the apparel printer is this machine.
It's a DTF.
Right, and it also the partner to it is the heat press, which is what she's working on. And the cool thing about the apparel printer is that it had a really big cult following on Kickstarter, which is why it's also so popular. Which would help the brand get its word out more or less. So if you can zoom in on a little bit closer.
Go in closer a little bit.
See them printing, and if you have a question, our guy Young here.
Hey, how are you?
Awesome.
My name is Young.
John Santos, nice to meet you.
So right now you're seeing, right? It's,
it's a DTF.
This is the apparel printer.
Okay.
What we do, what's DTF? DTF means direct to film. So what we do, right? So we send a image, a picture, and then it's gonna print on the paper. And then after that, you will see this is a oven.
The oven here, and it comes in at the bottom at the end.
Yes.
Then, what it looks like.
Yes, you will see this.
Oh, it's in real time.
Yeah.
That's cool. Wow. I had sent in some artwork ahead of time to, is it Leia? You said her name was Leia? Yeah, I had sent some artwork into her like 2 days ago. I don't know. Are we able to print that out, or how does that work?
Yeah,
to Leia?
I'll help you with that.
Okay, cool.
They're not going to do it here.
Oh, got it,
They're
got it.
doing the queue, but
got it.
We can go over. Thanks,
So
yeah. We're going to go over
Appreciate it.
here, and I'm going to show you some other items we can.
Yeah. Oh, I see. I see. There's a line. That's cool.
Have a bunch of all the
Oh.
shoes, the shirts, the bags, the jeans.
Very good look. Very good feeling.
Doing the heat press here too.
So right here is the actual DTF xTool printer. My review on the actual feel of it is actually a good feel. I would say it feels pretty nice. It feels like a DTF. A little thick for my taste, but honestly, it's solid, vibrant. Okay. CES, Las Vegas. So it's got the back, the glue. Very cool.
And then you just take it and you put it on a t-shirt like
Okay.
this guy's doing.
Awesome. All right, well, we'll try that in a second. We'll do that in a second. That way we can continue the tour and then we can dig in.
There's a lot of things.
There's a lot of stuff. Can I leave this right over here?
Here, let me give it back. You can come grab it over here. Just grab them whenever you want. Right here.
Yeah.
And then for the F2 UV. This is our F2 UV.
Okay.
This product, which is kind of exactly what I showed you with the.
At the bottom of like whiskey glasses, they usually have some designs like that, right? Like crown. How does that work? How is that working then? Is it cutting from the inside? Is it printing from the outside, or?
Well, it's a laser. So
Okay.
actually, is there any way you can show them like a demo real quick of anything?
I'm not gonna be quick, but I can stick another tube in there.
Okay. If you guys want to take
that'd be awesome. Yeah, that'd be cool. Yeah, this is very, very innovative stuff here. So it's doing it like what are the ideal applications for this type of printer?
So it's just like kind of the same concept as their other laser engravers. So it kind of looks like fire, but it's not. But for the simple-minded person, it looks like a beam of fire coming through, and it engraves within the inside of it.
The inside
So
of it. Wow.
it's a really awesome experience, and it's also really fun to watch. in my
Yeah.
opinion.
I've never seen that.
Yeah. You give us a couple minutes.
Yeah, that works.
Yeah.
So this is actually burning from the outside in or from the inside up? That's crazy. I can't wait to see it.
Yeah.
Very, very innovative stuff. I've seen this at the bottom of Crown Royal. I don't drink too much, but it's on there if you buy the Christmas pack.
Yeah, it's right here, like the whiskey glass.
Yeah, the whiskey glasses, okay.
Perfume bottles. These are all different kind of samples that.
A lot of different products you can make with just this printer.
Yeah.
This is awesome. What's your favorite product?
The apparel printer.
The apparel printer is yours. Okay.
100%.
And is this one of the newer ones that's releasing, or?
Yeah, this is the newest one that's released.
Okay.
And honestly, what makes it so special is that no other engraver that we have, nor ones that I've seen, can do this type of artwork. That's like the clear crystal stuff that they sell at the kiosks and all.
Right.
For a fraction of the cost.
Yeah, this is nuts.
Here, do you mind if he
He's
gets
loading
through?
it. Yeah.
This is Michael. He's really talented in all things.
Man, Mike.
And more.
Can I see the finished one real quick? It's like, this looks very expensive. It feels very high-end. Wow, look at that, guys. There's no indication that there was any scorching on the outside.
No, Michael's a real professional. He does
What?
they're really great.
Do the same file that was.
Okay, yeah, that works.
So we're just gonna, when you're doing this and you're doing repetitive work, all you're gonna do is double tap. Sorry, it's waking up. It cooled down for a second.
Fell asleep for a second, now it's awake. So this is like if you're at retail activation or you're at a store. Oh, check that out. Check that out. Record that. Right, record that. It's building it in real time right now, guys. It's like cutting the laser. What? It looks like some alien tech right there. Did you guys hack an alien spaceship?
Yes, we did, and it only will take about a minute and 20 seconds more or less to give you your full design of a horse.
Of a horse. Wow. This is really cool. It's okay to look at, right? Because it's got the orange.
Yeah, you're okay.
I know some of the industrial ones, you're like, if it's not closed, then you can get, your eyes can, yeah. But this is
or
cool.
Your camera can get ruined. Not here, but if they had it.
If they had it open and industrial, it'll mess up your eyes, but this is cool.
Our main priority, so.
Wow. So literally within a minute or so, it's building out the entire design that we have right here on the table. So this is what it's doing.
Engraving the very bottom of it. So it's going to engrave the bottom layer, and then it's going to start moving up. Because this one is so detailed, it does take a while.
Okay, that makes sense. So it builds it from the foundation up to the top.
It's like a 3D printer would.
Yeah, I guess it would be the same concept.
That's pretty cool. Guys, drop a like or a fire in the chat if this is impressing you right now. That's the file right there. Okay. So as somebody designing, they want to use this, what design programs do they have to use? Like, can they drop a picture of the horse and it does it?
This is an STL file. So there's like companies that have a ton of different 3D models.
Right.
That you could pull from and put them in there.
Okay.
Otherwise, you could take a photo and then use the AI to do like a 2.5D.
Also, so it does have an AI program built in for designing?
Correct.
Okay. So then you could drop your like flat image and it'll help bring the 2D file?
Yep. And if you're doing like I've got some necklaces over here. If you're doing a necklace, you can just drop a regular photo in there, do some conversions on the grayscale, and then just remove the background and engrave the photo.
Wow.
It'll take you maybe about 3 minutes to customize the photo, and then another about 3 to 5 minutes to engrave it.
Wow. So this xTool software helps you bring your ideas to actual print production files.
Right.
Because that's such a big bottleneck, is like getting the right file type to print, and you got to test it. But this at least gives you a good starting point, is what you're saying.
And then there's built-in parameters for the materials. There's over 2,000 materials that are into the software across all the machines.
And you could just select it, and it kind of puts the configurations in on its own. Pretty cool, man. That's sick. So right here, what we're seeing is a file that's obviously been mastered a couple times, like for precision. Or how close can somebody get to doing this the first time? Like, if you were to drop a file in, like, is it pretty quick?
If you were to drop an STL file in there right now,
you get pretty close.
It's gonna engrave it.
Pretty cool. Yeah, that's nuts. That's pretty cool, man. How long you?
We can, I think the time for it to be finished is an hour.
Yeah.
Sorry, I thought it was an hour, not a minute. I wasn't looking for it.
This one takes a while
Because it's so detailed. So 1 hour for the horseman. But if you guys look at this horseman, this is crazy.
Yeah.
This one takes about 36 minutes.
Oh wow, this one looks so much more detailed though.
So you can see how it's cut off in the back.
Oh, I see that. There's no back design.
5D, yeah. That's the reason. I've got a photo up on the top of this machine over here. It's a family.
Okay.
Just 2.5D, you get the more detail because you don't have that cloudiness coming from
the back.
So you guys could take this one.
Oh, that's cool.
You really see
that'd be awesome. Thank you.
Is in the areas that aren't engraved.
That's really cool. Very cool. So this one is an hour, but if you chop it down, only maybe do half of it, it's half the time. And this is very good. Appreciate it.
Thank you, Michael.
We got a souvenir. Appreciate you, Michael. Oh yeah, that'd be great. My kids are gonna love that. They're gonna think it's like the crown jewel. All right, awesome. Thank you. Oh.
I'll give you the last of our show-stopping products is the P3.
The P3.
So it's our CO2 Laser Cutter. I want to introduce you to Carrie, who's really knowledgeable. She can give you more details about it. Let's walk home. You can look in it over here, and then once she's available, then I can show you.
Okay, so this is.
These are some of the items it makes. It's on acrylic, wood. We've used it a lot for actual build-outs, filling wood in projects, if you will. But it also works great on acrylics, like acrylic signage, name tags.
All kinds of stuff you can make. So this is.
An item that we made also.
That's cool. Sorry. They even got like a little words with friends type thing.
And this is Carrie. She's really talented and really an expert with the
Carrie. Nice to meet you. John Santos.
Nice to meet you.
We're doing. I think we saw each other at the last trade show, Impressions, or somewhere in Vegas.
Next level?
Next Level.
I've seen you.
Are you here from Vegas? No, you're not. I'm on YouTube, so I do a lot of apparel stuff on YouTube.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Sorry.
That's what we're doing right now. No, you're good. You are the interview.
Team, aren't you?
And we've been. I think you saw us last time at one of the shows. You did look familiar.
Sure.
Yeah.
All right. What do you want to know, darling?
So this is pretty much. Tell us a little bit about this machine. We see what it can do, but what's one of the cool factors that you like about it?
Okay, so this is the CO2. So this is a CO2 laser. It's an 80 watt. The cool thing about this one is it's not only a CO2 anymore. So you can get the IR module, so it's a 5 watt IR that will put it in here and make it to where you can actually engrave on metal as well as everything else. So typically a laser is either going to be a CO2, a diode, fiber, UV. This kind of melds them together, so you get the acrylic side, which I love acrylic because it's got so many pretty colors. You get the wood side, you get the anodized metal side, you're going to get the bare metal side. So you're going to get a little bit of everything, and it's going to do it well.
Interesting.
In addition, there's also a pass-through. So we're going to slide this way. And so the conveyor is not fully installed on here, but this is the front of the conveyor, and it's approximately 24 inches wide and unlimited length. So it'll just keep pulling it through.
Oh, you can just keep putting it through.
Exactly. The really cool thing about this conveyor
Oh,
is that
passes
it's
through. Wow, that's cool. Okay.
So
it could be as like a big long sign. You could be working on signage.
So the P2S, the previous conveyor for the previous machine, had to have stands to go underneath the conveyors to hold it up. This one is self-sustaining, so you don't have to have additional like sawhorses or tables to do that.
Oh, that's really cool, actually.
The other good thing about this machine is it has the fire safety suppression system built in. It is in the door over here. You won't be able to see it because it's kind of hid. It's got a CO2 cartridge in there, so if there is a flame up, it takes care of it automatically. And with the CO2 suppression, it doesn't damage the machine. So if you get a small flame up and it takes that flame up out, the machine is still fine. Now your project might be gone, but you're still going to be able to use the machine fully.
And that's a big issue when using these. Like it could go down, you have to recalibrate or change sensors. Or
yes and no. I'll be honest, I've been running lasers for probably close to 5 years, and besides teeny tiny flame ups, I've never had a flame up, but I also pay attention to my settings and I pay attention to my lasers.
Got it. You got to be pretty smart to run these, no? No. Anybody can pick it up.
4-year-old grandson can run it.
Really?
Yes.
You got a smart 4-year-old.
No, so the software has levels of knowledge with it. So you can do it as a beginner level and pull all of your SVGs or all of your designs in. And then all you're doing really is placing it on the material and changing your settings. So you don't have to worry about a whole lot of design work. Or you can go as far as doing node editing where you're changing the actual shape of a line. Like you're pulling pieces of it out to totally reconfigure it. So you have levels of it. There are elementary school kids who run these lasers. They're in elementary school classrooms.
Okay, guys. Elementary proof. It's ready for you. xTool.com. This is so cool. This is awesome. Thank you so much.
Anything else, darling?
No, this is actually a really good overview of this machine. I had seen it and I was wondering what the main differences were with the competitors, and ease of use is one of the biggest ones I hear.
So the really cool things about this, so within the software and within this machine, there are multiple cameras. So on the lid, on the inside of the lid, you've got your overall bed camera, which will take your overall, like basically a background picture snapshot of your bed. Then you've got the close-up camera, which you can do a single spot, or you can do I call it a quilt. So you tell it where to take, and it will take multiple close-up pictures and seam them together. So instead of having to take a picture of this corner, then a picture of this corner, and trying to piece it, you will take an entire close-up, and then you can place your design. So instead of wasting tons of material, you use that close-up and put as many designs on that one piece of material as you can.
I see what you're saying. Okay, wow. That really helps you pretty much take advantage of the entire space you're working at. So
the entire space, and then a lot of small businesses and schools, like especially schools, don't have a lot of funding for materials, so they kind of have to use all of the material that they can. every little scrap. The close-up ability of this machine makes it to where you can use those small scraps and not just be throwing them away.
Got it. Incredible, guys. Again, innovation here at xTool is definitely top level. And we just got one of the samples from the printed over there. Really cool.
Okay, so now the really cool thing about xTool is we've got lasers, we've got a UV printer coming out, we've got the Apparel printer, right?
Yep,
so we have all of these different machines, but they're in one environment. They're
so you're still using that one software.
So whereas if you were in a business and you wanted a laser and you bought, whatever laser, and then you went and you bought a DTF printer, and then you bought a UV printer, those are all going to be different softwares that everyone has to learn all the softwares. This is one environment, so all of the machines run on the same design software, the same the same import settings, the same export, everything. So it makes it a nice cohesive unit.
Incredible. One of the best spokesperson for xTool right here, Carrie. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Awesome. That was awesome. Incredible.
And that's about it.
That's a great overview. I love it. Thank you. This has been a really cool overview. We're going to dive into a little bit of the details. We'll head over to the printer right now. But
there's a lot of cool prints you can do, and you'll have fun taking pictures of your family.
Awesome. Tomorrow we have one of the back. I guess it's like a private showcasing for the printer. So tomorrow I'll be here.
What time are you guys going to come tomorrow?
I think around noon.
All right.
Yep. Awesome.
Bye. Nice to
see you. Yep. Oh, thank you. All right. So DIY. Look, that guy looks like a DJ in there, just like in the mix. Oh, check him out. Check him out. They should have put some music and some flashlights on him. Boom, 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 boom. That's xTool here for you guys. They actually do a great job at branding. I'm gonna put this thing in the back real quick.
Don't wake up and be like, you sure hate me. I could have done.
I should have put the water a little closer to the top. There it is. Okay, cool. I'm just gonna drink a little bit of water. I like that guy's photo. How we doing? Okay, cool. Okay. All right. This guy just left his stuff on the floor. Like, can we take it? Now let's see what we got here. Okay, there's a different booth. Or is it? Oh yeah. Save money on the planet. Batteries? Alright, we'll get a little video here. Alright, you guys, so we just dove in. If you're joining us right now on the live, if you've been watching us for the last hour or so, you would have seen that we've been touring CES. And CES is a consumer electronics show. Happens in Las Vegas once a year. And at this show, we just showcased xTool's new machines, some of the UV printers, some of the laser cutters, very innovative stuff. And I think one of the cool things about what xTool really does is that they do simplify the actual workload, right? One software, easy to use, easy to learn, and you continue to grow your business with it. So we just toured a couple things here, and we're gonna dive into a couple of other booths around here, just so you guys can kind of think about, hey, where should I be thinking this year? That really is the question that you should be asking. We just kicked off 2026. The main important question you should be asking is, what am I gonna do differently this year than I've done in the past? Sometimes, if you've been using a certain supplier, or if you've been printing from home and things haven't been working out, maybe you want to improve your margins or you want to take control, there's options for you. If you want to improve your margins and reduce the workflow of printing and making it on your own, then one of the things you should be doing this year is finding good suppliers to partner with, right? But if you've been really wanting to dive in and take control and maybe show up at pop-ups, maybe you have a retail store and you want to have better activations, then maybe you should be looking at supplies like xTool and other printers like this that'll help you bring an edge to the competition. Because a lot of times when you're making things, it's really about how can you stand out. because as we walk around this booth, you guys will see all kinds of different products, and everybody's literally walking by, ignoring most of the products. So what can you do to stand out? Because right here really is like the internet. People are browsing, they're not really paying attention, but if you could stand out, that's how you get that attention. So right now we're going to take you guys into the xTool. Drop your questions in the chat. We're going to be answering them throughout this walkthrough, this live walkthrough that we're doing. And unscripted, we're just having fun out here. Decided to turn it on and go. All right, so what do we got here? So we just walked through the xTool booth, which I found was pretty innovative stuff that they're launching. And then here's some of the products that they got up on the wall, actually, some of the capabilities. So as we look at some of these, we're like, what can I make? How does this apply to my brand or business? Well, just take a look at that wall up there. You know, you could do printing on cups. You could do wall art. You could do skateboards. You could do apparel, right? There's an apparel wall on the other side that we just talked about. And they even got little cool globes and monograms, things that you don't necessarily see out there. So these types of tools really are helping you get creative and stand out in the market. So if you have a store, maybe it's something you should consider. Maybe it's something you should consider. All right, so let's walk right over here. Let's check out what else we got. There was another printer, actually. I think I saw some others back there that we're going to check out right now. What is this? This looks like the future robotics of, what is this? A body jet. What? This looks like one of those AI videos where it's going to transform you into a robot or something. Okay.
I know this.
I'm getting ready for tonight.
I would love so.
Kevin, what is this, my man? John Santos. Nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you.
This caught my attention. It looks like a futuristic, you know those AI videos that have been going around? Somebody goes in, they come out as a robot. Is that what this is?
It looks like jet ski,
Yeah,
but
like a
this is steam sauna.
A steam sauna?
With LED light.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, with LED light.
Wow, it's got touch screens, it's got everything.
And then, for example, touch screen, we just started a program right now.
Wow, that's innovative stuff right here.
Yes.
So the idea is you hop in there right after your workout or before?
Exactly. That's why people really love sauna.
Yeah.
And sometimes they don't want to go to public place.
Yeah.
Or this is becoming a trend, having your own spa system at home. There is the dry sauna available, but steam sauna is one of kind. For example, if you look at our machine, it's reclining.
It's moving, yeah.
Yeah, reclining 50%.
Ah, that's cool stuff.
Reclining. Let me show you inside of the machine.
We're gonna check out the inside. This thing looks like a futuristic car right here, man. Like I'm about to get into Ready Player One. Oh, because it was reclined.
Because it was reclining.
Wow. Very impressive.
This is the system. You can put your hand. Your phone.
Oh, you can still text up here, watch something.
You can watch your program.
Oh. Wow. Why not the head?
Head is right here.
But why don't you steam your head?
Because some people get suffocated being inside of the steam. So one of main advantage of this machine, your head is out.
That
so
makes
you don't
sense.
get suffocated
That makes
by
sense.
steam. Actually, usually you see the steam coming out, right?
Yep,
right now
yep,
it's coming
yep.
out. Usually, before we put you in the spa, we put you in body, which is an in-body system, and then we measure your body fat percentage and also the muscle. And then after steam session, we usually see increase of muscle and decrease of the fat. It is obvious because the sauna is same as your running exercise. Your heartbeat goes fast.
Right. Interesting. Wow. Very innovative stuff right here.
So you guys come back.
Yep.
End of the day and try.
We're gonna
Get ready for tonight.
Get ready for tonight. I love the man, Kevin.
Okay,
Where can they find this at? Where can you buy this at? Where can people buy it?
Look for Wiser Living in California, Los Angeles.
Wiser living in California, guys.
Be wise, guys. Wiser living.
I love it, man. Thank you. Appreciate it, Kevin. Yep.
Enjoy. Take care.
Okay, Wiser living. Oh wow, so he's got some patented stuff. So this is like a full health focused company. Crazy. And what is this? This massaging your sleep tech wearable for sleep induction. Wow. Man, I feel like we're living in the future already, bro. They got a sauna you can put your whole body in except for your head. I personally like putting my head in them because then it clears out your sinuses too, but I can see about it not being comfortable for the long run. All right, let's see what we got here. What is a pocket agent? Pocket the AI magic. What is that? All right, I'm gonna have to check this out. This is cool. What is this? Oh, let's go this way. I don't like the music. We don't want to strike the copyright. All right, that's cool. So this is a tech-enabled gym, it looks like. Tech-enabled gym, interesting. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about the tech-enabled gyms yet. How do you feel about them? The tech-enabled gyms.
I like manual.
Yeah, just the old school stuff. This looks too fancy, man. Looks like you're gonna play with your tablet instead of putting the work in. It'll take 15 minutes to set up. Could have been done with your workout. All right, guys, we're walking through. We're gonna see what else we can run into. Let's check it out, check it out. There's a lot of robotics over here. This is cool. Let's take a look at this Haply. All right, what is Haply doing right here? Check out this robot. It's got like fingers. Is it able to identify the balls or? Huh. Interesting. It's like a claw machine game. Who's controlling it? Interesting. I don't know what it's supposed to be doing. Check it out. Check out that one over there. Look at him program that thing. So I think for like medical devices or trying to do something with robotics right here. We're living in interesting times right now, guys, where we literally have a lot of robots integrating into the workforce. We got things like, hello, how's it going? So what does Haply do? Is this something you program for a production line, or how does this work?
Absolutely. So this is a haptic 3D mouse. It allows the user to feel what these large robots are feeling.
It allows the user to feel what the robots are feeling.
Do you want to feel it?
Yeah, wait, so it's a haptic suit like in Ready Player One?
No, not at all. So it's really more just if you roll up along here, you'll feel the gel, and then you can push all the way through it also.
So right now, which robot is feeling that? Or I'm feeling a robot that would be a robot.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Interesting.
This robot here we pre-programmed.
That makes sense. But this is what it's doing right here. Okay. So I'm mimicking what it would do.
Yes.
Interesting. What's the application on this? I'm trying to wrap my head around it.
So this is used a lot for physical AI and teleoperation.
Okay, so like a server robot or somebody that's doing manual tasks in a different country.
Rooms, that type of thing where the operator shouldn't be near those chemicals. We can use it for that, for training physical AI. What does that feel like?
That's
And
so
we
cool.
have a consumer device called the Minverse, which has an integration with Freeform, which is for graphic designers, game developers, and 3D space.
Interesting. Can I check that out? That's kind of cool. Guys, look, check this out real quick. So this right here, you see the computer monitor. Check out that computer monitor. So as I'm pushing down, I'm able to feel what the resistance is that the robot is feeling. So instead of just like not feeling what the robot is feeling, like they're building out these sensors that helps you feel what the robot would be pushing through. Very, very interesting. Very cool. I can see that integrated in the video game though.
This is freeform.
Okay.
So you can sculpt this clay here. The top button is where you would push in to indent the clay or pull on the clay. So that you can manipulate shapes, and then from here you could send it to, say, your 3D printer.
So you're able to manipulate the designs that you're working on.
Absolutely. So you can start with any shape, whatever you want to
ball of clay.
Start manipulating it, get it to what you want it to look like, and then send it over to your 3D printer.
Interesting. And it just does it similar technology there?
Yeah. It's the very top one.
It's not even connected at the moment.
Wow. Very cool. Such an interesting use of, I mean, like, so what is the ideal user of this? Who would be your customer, like, business-wise?
The ideal user for this device is graphic designers and game developers.
Okay.
For the inverse product, it's really for teleoperation. Manufacturing. You want to train your robots really quickly, have a small portable device so that you can change parts really quickly. You can reprogram your robots and then record and play back right away.
Wow, this is really cool. This is like, I'm wrapping my, like I can see this for graphic design. I'm like, okay, over there I can see like making sure that you're not in a room, a clean room like you mentioned. I can see that application.
Absolutely.
Very interesting. Thank you so much for the tour. And this is Haply.
Haply Robotics.
Haply Robotics, guys. Make sure you guys check them out. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Let's check this out. Haply Robotics. So you're really able to feel what the robot is feeling. That's the key thing about these operators. So like, imagine that guy is the operator right there. He's operating a robot from a distance, from a different country. Let's say or maybe a different room. And he wants the robot to move certain things. Well, before you couldn't really feel what the robot is feeling. But now with this technology, you can actually feel what the arm feels. So that's kind of cool. Never thought about that in application. I just figured like when you squeeze and it didn't break, it was just enough pressure, but now you can actually know how much pressure it is, I guess. Interesting, guys, interesting. All right, let's see. We got over here. I think we're ready for our Celsius break. There's an AI companion. Let's see if we can find a table and grab a drink real quick. Guys, if you're watching us on the live right now, we're gonna continue this tour. This is a massive, massive place. Like, been to Magic, been to all these trade shows. This is 30 times bigger than anything I've seen. So, oh look, we might have a spot. Maybe we can set the gimbal down here temporarily, or and we're just gonna grab our drink real quick, guys. You want yours out just here, or you want a drink? You want one of your waters or a Celsius, or what do you? Yeah. All right, we're grabbing our drinks out here. Oh, this is mine. I'll grab yours. All right, guys, if you're joining us live, we're taking a little water break real quick. What is one of the interesting parts that you've seen so far, that you've enjoyed from us so far? Leave that in the chat. Let's go, chat. Oh, sorry, bro. All right, so we're getting ready for a presentation here from AARP. Just in time. Wow, it's actually pretty good. And this is the first time I have this. Anyway, so very cool place. Honestly, seeing all the different technology and the intersect between robotics as well as manufacturing, and even the home-based printing that we just saw with xTool. 2026 is going to be one of those years that I think we start to see a lot more intersection with AI and physical things that we use in our home. And just seeing everything around here so far. There's like all these little chips you can embed into different technology. It's just a game changer. So I'm actually very interested to see what the next 3 years are, like career-wise, education-wise. Like kids are going to school learning things that isn't about this. We're definitely falling behind. I think that's something that we gotta get to the forefront of so we can continue advancing as a country, as a society. In a little bit, once I'm done with this, did you just down your Celsius? That was fast, bro. I'm over here still like sipping on this.
I was thirsty.
Hey, I want to give a huge shout out to Yasir real quick. Yasir, you've been killing it, man. Look at this guy. He's rigged up. All right, hold up. Boom. Look at him. Bam, bam. He's got his whole setup. Huge shout outs to Yasir. He's killing it. We're doing our thing here. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, we can put that up. Yeah. And then, yeah, that one just gets loose for some reason. Cool, guys. So yeah, they're getting ready for a meeting. We're just finishing this up and we'll continue the tour. So if you guys are watching this live right now, if you're joining us, make sure you guys drop a question in the chat about what you've learned, what you'd like us to see, where you'd like us to go, what questions you have for your brand. We're going to be answering them throughout the chat. And if you're watching us right now and you missed the first half, rewind it on the replay. There's some great info. We talked to some amazing brand owners. They've been doing, they had some really good game and knowledge. So we're going to continue extracting that throughout this tour. So drop your questions. I don't know how you just downed that Celsius so fast.
I was thirsty.
Oh, bro.
First time having Celsius in a
Whoa.
long time.
I'm trying to down this so we can get going. Oh, your Celsius didn't have carbonation, huh?
No.
That's why. I was like, how did you down it? This thing is so hard to down. Would have been easier if I got it without carbonation. Things you learn as you go. I figured I needed some energy in the middle of this stream because we've been walking around for almost 2 hours now. And
We got 45 minutes left.
well, we got 45 on the battery, right? So we're okay. So that makes sense. I think we should be good. 45 minutes on the battery. We might have to change out batteries. This might be a good time for us to, we're gonna cut the stream so we could change batteries. We'll be right back. So we're gonna cut the stream. We're gonna be right back, guys. That way we can just quickly catch up on some drinks, refuel, continue hitting this booth, and change one of the batteries. I'm still learning this live stream setup, so we'll be right back. Hang tight, drop your questions in the chat as we get started right now. All right. Let's continue on this CES live walkthrough unscripted. We are going through and we're going to check out this other side of the convention now. Now, if you're joining us on the live, thank you for waiting. We had to put new charging, one of the things we forgot. So thank you guys for staying and actually continuing to watch, because we're going to bring you guys incredible value. My goal is to find not only suppliers for you to build your brand and business, but also get the information that you need to grow and scale your business. See, a lot of these companies here are pretty interesting. Like for instance, the Handy, right? That's a pretty good name. Like, what does it mean? It's VR. It's a VR experience of some kind. And so here we are, the Handy. So the Handy towel. We had an idea. Oh, it's over there. I see it. Okay. I don't know if it's good enough.
Give you guys a demo.
Yeah, that'd be cool. That'd be perfect. What is this? Okay, the Handy. I don't know. Should we take the demo? I thought it was a interesting. Yeah. What is? Okay, this is interesting.
He'll take you.
Okay, so this is a futuristic, state-of-the-art stuff.
This is the Handy.
The Handy.
So, yeah, the Handy. This is a fully automatic and interactive stroker format.
Interesting. Wow.
So the way it's used.
Too much. Too much. Cut. What?
That ain't his first time using it either.
Change. Cut. I thought.
Oh, yeah. And it works out good.
All right. Good meeting you. That is gonna give me a professional. It's not safe for YouTube. Good name, the Handy. All right, so that's just one example of a product that you'll find here at CES. They got a lot of, basic stuff. Like at this show, I see a lot of tech, a lot of smart tech wear. This is more like it's called a Luna apparently. So the Luna band, cool name. Seems very more luxurious, well branded, higher end, which is actually pretty impressive. How's it going, man?
Hey.
John, nice to meet you.
Hey.
So you guys sell rings and stuff. I'm a big Aura ring guy. Yeah. So how does this work or compare?
The Lunaring, like the other ring that you're talking about, tracks what's happening inside your body. But what makes it very cool is that it integrates with LifeOS, which is a proprietary AI.
LifeOS.
Which contextualizes what you're doing. So I could have had coffee right now, and my heart rate would have spiked.
Right.
The ring would know that my heart rate has spiked, but it doesn't know what I've done to spike that up. Yeah.
So this ring would tell you that.
So what you do is we've created integrations with Siri, with your phone. So you could simply say, "Hey Siri, tell Luna I had coffee," and now your ring knows you've had coffee.
And you can start to
track. And you
track.
can simply say, "Hey Siri, tell Luna I'm feeling very anxious." So it knows you're feeling anxious, and then it correlates your data with knowing that you're anxious.
That's
right?
kind of cool.
And then you could say that about medications, you could say that about supplements, you could say that about
working out,
a lot of other things, right? So simple voice-based conversation that does not need you to open your app 100 times a day. You only open your app when you're looking for some insight back.
Interesting.
But otherwise, whatever you need to tell the app back, you simply go and talk.
That's pretty cool, because I do find that I have a lot of different fitness apps. I got Garmin, Aura, Whoop Band, and a lot of them you have to kind of log what's happening, and I find that very tedious. I don't even use that feature.
Yes.
This solves it.
This solves that.
That's really cool, man. Yeah. So then, tell me a little bit about the tech. So you guys got the rings, you got the watches, you got the
band. We've just launched today.
Okay, this is the band here.
The band, yeah. I think it's just fallen off. That's the band.
Okay.
We've just launched it today.
Nice.
So you can see this.
Very simple.
And
different
the ring
styles.
we've been selling for around 1.5 to 2 years.
Okay.
This is the second generation ring.
Okay.
The coolest part of this ring is that it comes with this very cool charging case.
Oh, that's nice. That's very nice.
So this allows your battery to go up to a month, while the ring itself stands for 7 to 8 days. But the charging case, you can charge it multiple times. It's like a power bank.
For a month?
It's like a power bank, right?
That's
so you
cool.
can just put it back, it charges, and then you go back.
That's awesome.
So that's something also very cool.
What's the price on the Lunaring?
This is a $329 product.
It's pretty comparable, yeah.
And no subscription.
No subscription fee for the app?
And no subscription.
It comes all included?
Absolutely, yes.
That's a game changer right there, guys. If you're looking for a real wearable ring, the biggest issue I have with Aura is you got to pay $8 a month to keep that subscription. And there's only so much it tells you. Like, I already know I had bad sleep. I got 3 kids. Like, what else does it give me?
And all this context that we're talking about, all the things that you log, there are no additional prices for this.
That's actually really cool. That's actually really cool. That's a really cool offer.
A couple of cool products you want to check out?
Yeah, let's see what else they got. So wearable tech is something that's big here at CES. I want to give you guys a little bit of insight. How this brand is actually doing a really good job marketing it too.
Oh, so I'll talk about this. That's Luna that we spoke about earlier. Now we're talking about Noise. Noise is India's largest wearable company. To give you context, we've sold over 45 million devices.
Oh wow!
Yeah, and that's you can get the scale.
Yeah.
So this, what we're showing here, is called the Master Series. We use ANC by Bose.
Okay.
In a series. This is the MB1. We launched this product last year. Then this is the Masterbuds Max.
Okay.
These are overhead earphones with almost best-in-class active noise cancellation. And then that's the MB2.
Okay.
This is something we're launching at CES now.
Okay.
So we're unveiling it today. And this is called the Masterbuds 2.
Okay. This is like higher end earbuds, like real good quality.
Honestly, they're not very higher end.
Huh?
I mean, they're very robust quality. They use, like, as I said, the sound quality is comparable to both products.
Okay.
But these retail at $129.
29?
129.
129. Okay, so that's a good price. Yeah.
So that's I think, good price for.
I thought you said $29 right now. I was gonna say you're gonna break the internet, bro.
just rose the price.
$29 only here right now at CES. It's great.
Yeah.
There's some great stuff. So you guys you do headphones, you do wearable.
We do wearables, we do smartwatches also.
All within the same company called Luna
So
and Noise.
Luna is a separate company.
Okay.
We do rings and bands in that. Noise is a separate company. Luna is a relatively newer health tech company that was invested in by Noise.
That makes sense.
And Noise is the larger parent company.
Very
that
cool.
has been around for quite a long time in India.
So
and now expanding globally.
How long have you been with the company overall?
I joined the company 2 years back.
Okay.
And then I've been with the company there. Yeah.
What has been the greatest, like, obviously you guys are marketing a product. I've never heard of Luna before.
Yes. So I think a
That's
very
the
good
best.
part is to have the founder also come in.
Okay, cool. That's perfect.
Just a second.
That's good.
Talking about Noise, so I said,
Nice to meet you,
instead
John
of talking
Santos.
to me, talk to the founder.
Awesome.
Best person to say, talk
Okay.
about your questions.
Hey, I love your products. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Love the products. You sold me on them. I'm about to pick one up because it comes with everything in one. So you founded Luna, you founded Noise, or what?
So yeah, the journey started with Noise. Luna is a very recent incubation from Noise, which is primarily into health tech, trying to cater to the global market.
Right.
Noise started with the vision of democratizing the tech for India.
Okay.
And now the vision has just expanded, trying to cover up the market outside India as well.
That's pretty cool, man. So obviously this is a company that's been around for multiple years.
Absolutely.
You guys have really brought the price and quality to make it accessible to a lot of people. So what are some of, like, since you founded this as a very successful company, what are some of the things that you've learned along the way to try to enter a new market like the US? What has been the challenge in expanding in somewhere out here?
I would not say the challenge. The entire journey of me as a founder or an executor in the business have been built on the basis of how the customer behaves, on different perspective about the price, about the quality, and we built this brand keeping the customer in the center. And my entire thesis of building anything is dependent upon think customer first and then build everything. So we are now trying to learn from different markets and trying to build more products which are much more global in approach, and where we can take the market, and where we can build the product for a country which is very different from how it is in India.
Right,
so,
right.
Yeah,
That is a challenge.
Still keeping the customer in center, trying to build product for them.
That's cool. I mean, Luna is very well executed. I got to give you guys big shout outs in terms of the positioning, the visual design. Everything looks really top notch. What would you say? Because like you guys compete and beat Aura in that sense. Because I'm a big Aura fan. I use them for 4 years, but I don't like the fact that I got to keep paying every month for a subscription, and it doesn't really do much other than sleep tracking. And they try to integrate steps in there, which is kind of a failure in my point. But what you guys have integrated is something very unique. Like you brought tech, you've been enabled with Siri. It allows you to track data. What do you see the future of wearable tech and what you guys are doing?
See, it's a very evolving category, and I think the evolution of the category has just begun, and I think there's a lot to happen yet. The way the AI is coming into our life, I think it is going to get into the hardware as well, and all the products, hardware that we can consume, irrespective of whether it's a health tech or not, will have an AI as the center theme. Along with that, there will be multiple devices that we are working on. I'm sure you have seen the band that we have come up with. A different form and factor would be part of the health tech ecosystem that we are working. Primarily that, yeah.
Okay.
Still, I think, like I said before, customer needs to be the center thesis of anything that you are trying to build. So just be focusing on that.
Incredible, incredible. Where can they buy Luna and where can they buy Noise?
So for Luna, there's a website called lunazone.com. Please feel free to log in and learn more about the product there. We ship more than 80 countries now. For Noise, we are currently available on gonoise.com, which is a global portal that we have opened up. And beyond that, we are also part of the Best Buy and Walmart and Amazon.
Okay, all the major retailers. Make sure you guys check them out, Luna as well as Noise.
Thank you.
It's very nice meeting you, man. Great work here.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Awesome, guys. That was a night and day presentation from the last booth. Yeah, that was good. That was educational. What do we got here? We got wearable tech. So a lot of wearable tech is what I'm saying. A lot of rings. So there's like a lot of different rings. This one's called Uwell, I would assume it's called. Oh, wait, you could just grab it and try it on. I'm just like, try it on, bro. Kind of cool. Feels like a wearable ring. What is this? Continuous sleep monitoring. Oh, this is kind of cool. This is like a sleep monitor, which, I don't know, maybe it's a little bit better than the rings, but kind of seems redundant to me. A mesh nebulizer. So nebulizers. Oh. Interesting. It's a nebulizer, so that's an inhaler, yeah, mesh nebulizer. Interesting. Very interesting. Okay, guys, a lot of medical tech here, so let's keep the tour going. Let's keep it going. We're gonna head on over. We're actually gonna find one of the other manufacturers here. So if you guys are building brands, businesses, we're gonna go look through and find these other suppliers here. Oh, don't show the table. I don't know what that is. What is that?
You guys want some bunny ears?
Oh yeah. Yasir wants some bunny ears. What? Can I take two? Yeah. Can I have one more for my daughter? Yeah, awesome. All right, Yasir. We're wearing bunny ears. All right, a lot of interesting toys here. What is that? What is that? That's a robot. Is that a robot? An AI doll. Experience the future.
It's one of those.
Oh, wow. Lovins. Okay, we gotta. I've seen these on TikTok and Instagram. Let's get a center one. So let's see. Let's go touch her. Oh wow, it feels real. It's like the real thing. It is very slimy, actually. Wow. It is. Wow, I've seen these on like the BBC. Watch her start talking. Stop touching me. That's intense, man. Yeah. That's intense. That is going to ruin a lot of relationships. Or not get you in a relationship. Yeah, that's body pillow to the max. That's nuts. Right there, I can see how those are going to take off. For sure. Very sad to say, but it's the truth. All right, what do we got over here? We got some more running gear, energy levels, AI sleep pillow. Interesting. So they're embedding AI into pillows now too. So we got an AI sleep pillow there. Anti-dust. Oh, that's kind of cool. The recovery, I've seen these at the gym. The Choice of World Cup champions. Okay, what is this? All right, we got to see this. What is this? Oh, it's recording. Oh, this is a camera, just so you can show your work. For some reason, I thought this was a like projector, so you could work and project like in the future.
Yes.
But this is a
video recorder.
So then, this is wearable cameras for you to be able to show what's happening, or how does this work?
Yeah, this is actually it's an AI camera.
An AI camera.
So we're linked to the OpenAI. So we're using OpenAI API.
Got
so
it.
Means what you see, the AI also see. So if you have any question about this,
you ask it.
Yeah, you can ask. You can ask AI what's this.
What?
Yeah, and
right now, when you turn it, when you wear it right now, it could see and you can interact with it right now.
Yeah.
Really? Can I try it?
But
or you have to connect it to an app and all that.
No power.
No power. Got it. Okay, no, that makes sense. That's really cool. So you put that on, turn it on, and it kind of interacts with your environment.
Yeah, and also have the voice translator.
And the voice translator too.
Yeah.
So if you go into a new country and you want to know what people are saying.
Go to different country, you can understand what people are talking.
That's really cool. Yeah. That's really cool.
So have the AI translator, AI camera.
Incredible. So you can wear this, go into, I'm gonna need one of these actually. I go into a lot of factories, sometimes they speak different languages.
Yeah.
I want to be able to know. And does it also record? It'll save recordings?
Yes, they also record and also can do the meeting. If you are in a meeting room, you have a meeting with many people, then have the meeting record, then also AI will generate the meeting
transcript.
summary.
Wow, that's pretty cool.
And also generate the meeting mind map.
Okay.
What you are discussing, the mind map.
Wow, that's legit. How much is this? Where can they buy it?
Actually, we are doing OEM and ODM.
Okay, OEM and ODM.
We don't have our own brand.
Okay.
So our FOB Hong Kong price is about $70.
$70, not bad. It's actually really cool. Like, you can see how that could be applied to a lot of industries. Like, very cool. Do you have a card? You guys also make rings, all ODM? This is all ODM products?
Rings also, smart watches also.
What's the interface with the software on these? Like, how does the software work for it? Is it your guys' software, or it has to be built on software, or?
Yeah, we are building the software also, and we design the hardware also.
Okay, yeah. So it comes together when you buy the system, like?
Yes.
Or does somebody have to build their own?
The app.
The app.
Our app will link to OpenAI. We will connect to OpenAI to do some generate.
Okay, that's really cool. I'd love to get your info. This is very interesting. Where is your card, or can I take a picture of your card, or? I think it's right here, huh? Is it this one right here? Not that one? Oh, sorry. Very cool.
Some details.
Very cool. I'll take a picture of that. It's great work. I love it. I love what you guys are doing here. So it is an ODM, so which means that you guys can order it up, customize it.
Yes.
You guys manufacture it.
Customization.
That's really cool. I love it. All of the watches too. All the smart watches, yes. Everything. Very cool company. Sorry about that. Oh, what? AR glasses?
Hi. Any questions?
So the glasses will come on top of your existing glasses, or how does this work? These are the AI glasses, or?
Yeah, this AI glass, and we also have display here.
That's the display right there.
Yes, this is the display.
Ah.
And the display size is 300 inch.
Is how much you could see.
Yeah,
wow. So how does this work? You're wearing them, and you could open up Snapchat and look at AR filters, or what's the application of this?
Yes, we can see some good films here.
Movies
Yeah,
and stuff
movies.
out in the real world.
And you also can chat with AI also. We have mic, we have speaker here.
Speakers, a camera too?
Camera. Yeah,
Oh, the camera inside there. Wow.
Camera and speaker and display.
Very cool. So you can interact with AI in your environment.
Yeah. So with all AI functions.
That's cool. What is that? How much are those running? Like manufacturing wise or FOB, or is it still being priced?
Yeah, we are doing FOB.
3.
We are doing ODM.
Very cool. It's pretty cool. They got some innovative stuff here. The company is called
Ultra Easy.
Ultra Easy.
Yeah.
Ultra easy to remember. Ultra easy. Ultra easy. Awesome, guys. Appreciate it. Thank you. Great stuff here. This is definitely, I mean, I'm seeing they got like the Ray-Ban. Oh, I need to ask about these. I wonder if they got like unlimited recording limits, you know, when we try to do content. It's one of the biggest things is those, I'm gonna put these bunny ears away so people take me seriously. So for these glasses, can you record unlimited?
This I think so. It's based on your data. So on the data, it's uploaded to iCloud.
Oh, it uploads to iCloud.
Yeah. So that they can recording and also do the camera, and also we have over 100 language can translate it to you instantly.
Right
so
here.
you can speak Chinese, you speak English. So you hear English from me.
That's
so
really
instantly,
cool.
You know, but today we cannot demo because the signal.
Yeah,
sucks.
signal sucks. Yeah.
We cannot do it.
Wow, this is really cool. So,
Yeah.
so these glasses, how much are those manufactured? Like, so if somebody wanted to brand up themselves and sell them, what's the
That's
ODM
the
price?
CEO right there. Probably should ask him.
I should have asked the other guy that was talking. How much are these ODM?
他说如果有人想做自己的品牌，如果找咱们家工具的这个要多少钱？这个
Maybe
dollar, right? It's $150.
$150, not bad.
Yeah, it's really
and
good.
unlimited recording, as long as you have storage on your phone, you could hit record on the app, and you could just record.
That's true.
Because you know, like the Meta Smart glasses, they have a 3-minute recording.
Okay.
Only 3 minutes
Only
to
3 minutes?
the video.
I think we're longer than that.
Okay, that's really cool.
Yeah.
And then,
also, you can try it on. Probably you should try it on. It's pretty light.
oh, that's nice. All right, this is
Yeah, it's cool. For the sunglasses.
yeah, this is awesome.
Also for the I can look like a clear
More
one
look
too.
like, oh, that's really sleek. This is really clean, guys. If it was just a little bit thinner on the side, that'd probably be my only feedback, a little bit thinner. But if it records a lot longer, that's cool.
Do the best can be for more lighter.
Yeah,
we
yeah.
don't want to be too heavy. A lot of people complain from Mattress too heavy for them.
Yeah,
so we're
yeah.
trying to do more lighter than that.
Definitely lighter would be
Yeah.
key. It feels like it's it's too heavy, too thick.
This one's a new product. We didn't release yet, but this one being released. It's literally still in the test flight. We just inner company people test out.
Wow.
So it's really like light, like just like a glass.
This is a lot lighter.
Yeah.
I would say something in here would be nicer to be slimmer. But aside from that, are in there, right? Yeah.
This is the best we can do.
Yeah,
try,
yeah. No, I figured.
That's a revolution for human.
It
That's
is
true?
because it's got AR in there. I mean, it could read what you're saying and interacts with AI.
This one don't have AI. AI is the AR one is over there, a different one.
So this one doesn't interact with you like translation or anything?
Yeah, this all can do in the future. They all have translation.
Okay.
But they don't have the like AR stuff.
No. It's just the AI translation,
The
right?
AI,
The AI,
do
yeah,
it
okay.
instantly on the phone or the hearing too.
That's solid.
It's cool. That's because we have the AI,
Very.
the system. We try to do everything.
When you record, does the light turn on or does there no lights?
I like to know.
A light turns on.
You know, so-
Why is that?
Because it's functional. It's functional. I have to show people. It's like,
You have to show people that you're recording,
I
right?
guess. I'm
Yeah.
not sure.
Yeah,
Do you
that's
want to hide it, right?
I want to hide it.
Oh, okay, be a James Bond, right? I'm the James Bond right now.
You know how I was hiding it on Meta? I'd put a piece of tape.
Oh, smart.
But then like you got a little black piece of tape on your glasses. People are like, what is that? So it doesn't work that good, but
Okay, you bought a Meta,
the Meta Ray-Ban.
I
Yeah.
bought two actually.
Yeah,
I want to see the difference,
yeah.
so just test out.
I wasn't a big fan of them because they only had 3 minutes of recording and then the light, and then I had to try to do stuff that was when the light is there, people are like, what is that? And then it kills the conversation.
That's true.
versus,
true. Yeah.
but yeah, I understand why. But it's a great company, so definitely
Come over to us booth.
ultra easy.
The ultra easy.
Ultra easy, guys.
What's your name?
My name is Yasir.
What's your name?
Yasir.
Yes, yeah. Okay, nice to meet you. And you name?
John Santos.
Oh, Johnson, from Las Vegas.
Yeah, we're here locally. It'll be on YouTube, John Santos.
Oh, nice,
Yep.
nice. Really, thank you.
Awesome,
Really
thank you.
appreciate coming to us booth. Yeah,
Likewise.
ultra easy.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Yep. All right. So that's actually, exoskeleton. I've seen a couple of these. I guess they're just mainly a skeleton. Oh, these girls are walking around it. I'm actually interested to see what this how does that feel? Does it make you hop more? Can you like jump up to the sky?
Let me try.
Let's try it. Let's see how, oh, that's at least, that actually is pretty cool. That looked like you jumped pretty far. It actually helps you with jumps?
Yeah. Saves your energy, saves your force.
So cool.
Use less energy, less force.
So you're one of the developers?
Yeah,
John
I'm the
Santos.
co-founder here.
Oh, nice, man. Good work. John Santos, we're doing something for YouTube here. We're going through the entire show and highlighting the products that stand out to us. So this here is an exoskeleton. What is the application? Because I've seen a lot for like industrial, people that are lifting up heavy boxes. I see these girls wearing it really easily. So what do you envision with it and kind of what the background is?
So actually a lot of customers come from like elderly people who have like knee problems or leg problems. So we can help them to walk in a normal way and walk longer. Another big use case is that for outdoor people who like mountaineering, hiking, biking, you can also do that as a go beyond their limits.
Okay, so it helps you kind of push that boundary, right?
Yes.
Because I see this photographer, he's got a big bag and he's got the
this is a very good use case here because you're doing like heavy stuff, right? So with the support, so with the support, you feel you walk lighter.
You walk lighter?
Yeah.
How much lighter does it feel you're walking?
So it gives up to 88 pounds of uplift force.
88 pounds.
Yeah.
Wow, that's pretty significant.
Yes, exactly.
So that can like neutralize the weight that you're carrying.
Yes,
for the most part.
yes, yeah.
Ah,
basically, it's it's kind of like the backpack that concentrates all the weights on your waist. Right? So that gives you easier time on your back, and for this also gives you easier time on your legs, so that you can walk longer.
I could see this actually being more adopted to people, whereas all the other ones I've seen are very industrial.
Yeah.
But this seems a little bit more consumer product.
This is consumer product.
So what does it range for, and where can people buy it? What is the pricing, and where do people buy it?
For this one, this is the knee module. So we have two different models right now. The knee module is $2,500, and for the ones they're wearing is $1,500.
Okay, that's way more accessible. The ones that they're wearing, is it more for like this photographer, or this photographer's wearing the more higher end model, right?
Yeah, this is higher end model.
And that's supporting up to 88 pounds?
Yes.
And the other one, what does the other one do in comparison?
So basically it helps you on different parts of your leg, right? The other one is just this part, the thigh part, and this one gives you more support on the knee. So this is how it's different. So when you go downstairs or you have a knee problem, you gotta use the knee module that gives you more support.
Okay, wow, very, very innovative stuff, man. And how long have you been doing this company for now?
The company started in 2023, but we have been doing innovation R&D, and we just came out of our consumer product last year in 2025. And we just finished a very successful Kickstarter campaign, raised more than $2.5 million.
1.25.
2.5.
Congrats, man, on a Kickstarter campaign.
Yeah,
that's huge, man. That's huge.
Yeah.
What have you found has been that special thing that you guys have connected with the customer with, like marketing-wise, messaging? What's a tip or something that you have for people that are innovating in the space for them to actually break through and be able to raise something like $2.5 million on Kickstarter?
Yeah. So we do see a lot of people with, for example, they want to go push beyond their limits. They want to walk further and to see the world, and people want to do it with their help. And for example, elderly people, for example, people who hike mountains, but they want to push their limits. A lot of people resonate with us in this essence. That's why a lot of people support us.
As soon as I saw this and you said, hey, it's for outdoors, people that like to hike, I came up with 10 people in my mind, right? Yeah. So marketing-wise, like identifying exactly who it's for, it's easy to share it with them. Versus like, oh, this could be for a worker that's at a warehouse, or it's, because I've seen a lot of that and I'm like, that doesn't apply, but this applies to the masses, which is really cool, man.
Yeah, thank you.
So then, how long have you guys been developing the R&D for? This looks really simple, but I know that takes a long time to do, or potentially.
Yeah, the hardest part is the software, the AI recognition part. You need to fit your steps, fit your rhythm of walking very well. And the other part is the motor, that the hardware. You need to have a high output power in such a small motor. We have been developing this for almost 2 years, and I think because of the maturity of the technology comes to the point last year that we can make it into a consumer affordable product.
I see what you're saying, because I did see some battery packs. So there's battery packs on the guy right there. Check that out.
Exactly.
So he's walking on it. Is that a demo that this guy's doing in real time? Wow, that's pretty cool. Yo, that's sick.
Yeah.
So that's that model right there, or that's the the girl model. Okay, the 1500.
So I do have a product introduction. So this is the knee module that he's trying.
Okay.
And this is the knee module. Yeah.
Oh, wow. So it's got a motor in it. It's got the AI that's sensing how you're walking.
Exactly.
So it's not just a piece of equipment that you strap on and push play. Like there's a lot of development on the back end to make this work.
Yeah, exactly.
So this is cool, man. This is so sick. So are you working on something that'll make you superhuman to jump like 10 feet?
You bet. We are doing this. We want to make something like a shoe, a mechanical shoe that can help you dunk. Like,
really?
Normal people dunk. Yeah.
Normal people dunk?
Yeah. That's our vision here.
That'd be a game changer.
Yes, yes. I mean, he can dunk.
I think he could dunk. Hey, really good meeting you, man. Great company. I love it.
Yep. Yeah, nice to meet you.
You chopped your bunny ears. I'll put them up. Yeah, it's actually really cool, man. Yeah, they brought us in. We do a lot of content for like manufacturing equipment, like printers and UV.
They invite you guys.
Yeah.
Cool.
So we're going through, showing everybody on YouTube like what products are here and things like that. Yeah, man.
Awesome.
I appreciate it. Thank you. That was pretty cool, I gotta admit. So one of the things that he said that I want to highlight right here as we just take a little pause is how important it is to really identify the pain point that a market has, right? So I've seen a lot of exoskeletons at multiple shows, like at least the last 10 shows I've attended, there's always been some form of exoskeleton, meaning something that's able to help you either lift more, go a little bit further. But all the applications have always been for industrial workers, meaning like warehouse workers or farm workers, people that are doing manual labor. And a lot of those end up costing around the 2 to 5K range, but it's just not applicable. It's heavy, it's really complicated looking. So when I saw this, for one, the design itself, everyday person was wearing it, so right out the gate you can see how it's being used. So that's why it's so important that you guys continue to not just show it in visuals like a photo, but show people how it's being worn, right? A lot of times when you're branding and creating a product, you throw a flat lay and you expect people to know exactly how it's supposed to be styled and fit. But if you put it on a real model, take a real imagery, people can start to visualize how it can apply to their life. So when I saw it, when the girl's walking, caught my attention. Then I saw it on the photographer. I got the man just sear in the background right here with a bunch of weight. And I'm like, yo, this applies to people that are in my immediate circle. So that stood out. And that's the reason why he raised $2.5 million on Kickstarter. So definitely check out. It's accentisexo.com. We're going to just point it over there just to get that last little booth shout out. Guy was very, gave some great game. Mainly in the fact that you gotta dial in who your target market is. Big thing. All right. We got YKK. Okay, YKK is cool. I like YKK. Let's see what they're innovating here. So YKK is one of the biggest zipper companies in the world, and I'm a big zipper guy. I used to do backpacks, so we used to source a lot from YKK, and they definitely are. They're definitely top notch. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. Check it out. Oh, is that an automatic zipper? Dude has push to start. Does it go up too? Yo, that's pretty crazy. All right, now you gotta, it's funny.
Strong massage.
That's so sick.
This model is
That's crazy. So what is that application? Would that be for like a house, a tent, or?
Yeah, we are looking at some industrial application. It could be some shelters or some big tent, or it could be somewhere like a
high,
difficult to reach.
Oh.
So we don't need the people. to take a risk, for example.
That's cool.
Yeah.
So it could be remotely open, closed.
Yeah, we also have a Bluetooth version, so we can manage way away.
Wow.
So still,
interesting.
We are open for any kind of.
Is it supposed to be like all the way unzipped or just open? Because I know like with a zipper, you got to connect it at the bottom or something. Can it all the way unzip and reconnect and zip?
It's more like at this point.
Like halfway, almost to the bottom, right? Yeah. That makes sense. That makes sense. Like opening up shelter. What other innovation has? So I used to make backpacks. We used to manufacture a lot of bags. We used to shop and use your guys' zippers all the time. What other innovations have recently happened within YKK? I know you guys have like some of the best metallic zippers, gold, a lot of these like specialties.
I would say like the biggest things that we've been exploring recently is you showed the airy string jacket before. So obviously one of the biggest complaints we have, whether it be in apparel or bags, is that we like our zipper tape, this base, because it gives us a very consistent level of strength. But what airy string allows us to do is if you really want to have something that flows best with your fabric as the materials get softer and more flexible, here we're just eliminating all of that restraint that we have with the zipper tape, and we're supplying essentially just a string of elements, and then you're taking these string of elements and applying it directly to your product fabric. So right now we have this for jackets like center fronts and the pocket zips, but we want to expand that to more like soft goods and bags and others. But what that's going to do is give you that perfect flow of the zipper with your fabric. You're not going to have
without the crunching,
crunchy, and it also gives you a really smooth operation.
Interesting.
This is with Toray's Ultra Suede fabric, very premium, almost like an automotive interior level fabric, but the zipper doesn't take away from the design or the fabric.
No, definitely not. So how does that get stitched on, or what does that work?
Ultimately a development collaboration between YKK and Juvivo, the sewing machine company. So we had to create a very particular sewing machine to do kind of a zigzag stitch pattern. So we don't want to impact the elements to shatter them. So it's a very precise zigzag pattern all the way down. And then we also have to sew through very detailed this like bar tack at the bottom with this reinforcement. And then after that you simply set your slider on. After that you trim off this excess and then you just snap on the open parts box to complete the zipper out.
Interesting. Wow. So
just a very maximum design ability.
So this is a specialized sewing machine to install this. Is it a piece of like a foot for any sewing machine, or has to be a
sewing machine? So not just a presser foot or a sewing foot, but the entire sewing machine has to kind of interact and reference the elements themselves. It kind of works like gears and reference that to make sure it's very precise for the sewing.
Wow, that's incredible. But that allows you to get into the specialty fabric, tech wear, a lot of the stuff that
brands want to achieve. And again, our first commercialized one's with the North Face, so this is more of a concept one, but we did do with their advanced mountain kit, and that's really the first product in market.
It's these little details in design that a lot of times you don't think about until you're bringing it to market. You're like, what zipper should I use? Like, there's, I don't know, what, 20, 50? That's probably number 10 or number 10. So I used to know my zippers. We used to source a lot, and there's like so many different sizes and applications. But this right here definitely is an innovation, like, especially going around curves, right? So like if something's curving,
the radiuses are always the big challenge, trying to navigate those tight radiuses that you have, especially as we see the laptop packs get smaller and more compact. That's where we have our purpose-built zippers for luggage, and again, want to expand these type of innovations not only to apparel, but to those more niche applications outside of apparel.
Interesting. So then, factories have to have this installed in order for you to work with them, right?
Right now we have a bunch of partner vendors and factories that we're working with, predominantly in Asia, because that's where garments are mostly being manufactured. But we are planning to bring more as we expand out, so some in North America, kind of more for prototyping and development, and then bringing those to the production location. But if you do have interest in this now, we have a number of machines both in Japan and all throughout Asia that you can partner with. So we can connect you with a vendor. We have support services on our factory side as well, and we can help to mimic the fabric to make sure that certain things need to be conducive. Like the fabric thickness is one limitation, about 1.3 millimeters at maximum. And then sometimes we do things like if it's a thin fabric like this, we might double it over just to give a little bit extra thickness for the strength. And all that.
That makes sense, dude. That's solid, man. Zippers are something that are always overlooked, but in design, like these things, and as he's talking, I'm already thinking about so many different products that I had limitations in making 10 years ago because of zippers, and now it's to life. You guys brought it to life, which is so cool,
man. It's a relationship sometimes with zippers, but we keep trying to innovate and add function to it as needed, and then maintain that durability and quality, which is always high for YKK.
Incredible. Do you have a card or anything? I'd love to reach out with anything that comes up. Oh,
I'm working
awesome.
more on like the zipper development side as
Okay,
well. But
awesome.
we do buckles, we do hook and loop, we do anything that fastens together essentially.
No, definitely. And are these are just keepsakes?
These are little giveaways for the show.
Cool,
So we
cool.
make some very kind of accessory carabiners as well.
Awesome. Cool. I appreciate you, man. It was really good meeting you. Well, we'll be in touch. I'll definitely be following up. I'm gonna grab one for my little kid and one for the other one. Thank you, guys. That was really cool. So look, let's check this out. So you see how the detail here. A lot of times zippers need that tape. So when you have that tape, you're not able to really work on this exact closure. So they're getting so much closer to almost making it where the zipper's gone. And there's things called invisible zippers too. So like sometimes when you try to hide the zipper, you could try to get an invisible zipper, but it still has the same problem of the tape, which means that when you're making a product, sometimes it scrunches up at certain areas where this is actually seamlessly with the fabric. So it's a huge innovation in apparel right here. First time seeing it. Maybe their first time actually showing it. So you guys are getting exclusive behind the scenes. And when it comes to construction and manufacturing, like all of these little elements are so important to keep in mind, because you can have a really cool idea, but when you start to make it, you find limitations. So it's important that you reach out to the companies that are innovating in the space and ask them, hey, look, I have this product idea. Is there any solution for me, right? That's one thing I learned a little bit. I should have done that earlier in my career. I was kind of hesitant to reach out to the professionals and ask for help. I always thought like, I'll figure it out on my own. I'll just buy all these samples. We'll find the right zipper, the right combination. We'll make the right pattern to make that curve fit. But it would have been so much easier if I just talked to a pro like YKK, and if they would have told me like, hey, some of your limitations are going to be X, Y, Z. We can't really do anything about X, but we could fix Y and Z, right? Talking to pros is so key when developing something, guys. Don't be afraid to share your concepts with somebody. Like he mentioned, he can connect you to a factory or somebody that has a machine in place to prototype. A lot can actually go right for you if you're focused on just reaching out. Reach out, ask for help. So we're gonna link all of those suppliers that we find are gonna be included within our program. So make sure you guys check out the links in the description for the one-on-one brand mastery. We also have the PDF system for you guys that's available for free. So check out that free download in the description down below. Let's continue. That was a gem right there. I actually really enjoyed learning about that because I've been a big zipper guy myself. And let's keep this going. So we got a pet feeder again. A lot of pet feeders now that we're seeing that. A vital belt. Don't know what that means. Precise transmission control. Okay, where are we at now? What are we doing? What is this? Spiral listens and understands your true inner world. Oh man, okay, so I think this is one of those new AI booths where if you walk in, stay right there, it'll connect me to the network. Should come up right now. No? I thought this was one of those new innovations where I walk in and it would like transform and show me like a robot would come up and be like, "Bam, you're now here." It's not the case. I thought we were at that level of trade show booths, but we're not. Let's keep it going. It's a cool design. I can't believe nobody's in there. We should take it over actually. Let's make this our official Q&A spot. All right, you guys, drop in your chat. We're here at our new booth at CES. We're developing something called Spurk. Spurk knows your true inner desire and never miss your luck. So that's what Spurk is all about, guys. We're developing this at CES. If you guys have been joining us on the live, we've been doing our best. Our team has been doing the best to answer your questions live. So make sure you're dropping a question about a brand, about a thing that you just saw. We can go back to it. We can give you more context on it. We're here to support you as you guys continue to build your brands, your businesses. The whole reason I came to this show today was to really show you the innovations happening in the space. So to start thinking about, okay, what am I going to do differently in 2026? We're kicking off this year. The year just started. We're literally at the first week of the year. So what are you doing differently this year than you did last year? That's always something that you have to keep at the top of your mind. You always got to ask yourself, how can I improve? And by coming to the show, my goal was just to give you guys some of the tools, some of the resources, the things that are happening in the market so you're aware. All right, so for example, xTool launching DTF printers to the professional print shop people out there, for those of you guys that run an operation, that have employees, you now have to think about, okay, xTool is now entering the market. This product got fully funded, which now means that there's going to be a lot of people that have this in their home. And even if it's not millions of people that have it in their home, even if it's only a couple 100,000 that have it in their home, each of the people that have it in their home are now a print shop. Think about that. Potential for 100,000 to millions of new print shops opening up in your own backyard. How do you adjust to this? How do you stand out from this? Those are all questions that you have to think about. And 2026 is a year to start making adjustments. Is it the product offering that you have, your capabilities, your level of attention to detail to service? Maybe you invest into some equipment to bring you out and allow you to compete, because it's less big print shops are opening up and more home-based print shops. The print from home that we started in 2022, that we coined print from home, is now a reality. Sometimes it takes a couple years to get here, but 2026, I believe, is going to be the year that people start doing more business from home. It really becomes a true movement. So that's why we started Street Crafter, is why we continue to assist you guys through from the ground up, because there's a lot of things that change instantly, and you got to be able to pivot. And how do you pivot? By always having a community, always having a group of people that are writing and supporting you, spreading that word of mouth. It's so important that you build up a real community through your content, through your brands, through your services, whether you have a manufacturing facility or whether you have a brand. It all applies here, guys. As we're walking this floor, just so much more clarity that AI and manufacturing is starting to converge. We're having a real conversion of technology as well as hardware, and it's going to be a crazy, crazy year. I can see a lot of crazy stuff launching, and we're going to continue this tour. But before we do, make sure you guys download all the free resources that we have. Drop your questions, because we'll be answering them throughout the chat and throughout this live stream. And make sure you check out the Brand Mastery one-on-one that just launched. We got some calls opening up, limited number of slots, because we're working one-on-one together. So make sure you apply. If you're a good fit, check out the page there to learn a little bit more, and then book a call. And let's see if you're a good fit so we can help you overcome and, more than importantly, scale in 2026. So let's continue this tour. Let's head on over here. I saw a couple of other manufacturing facilities this way, so I want to check those out. We got a little guy. Oh, that's a cool photo. That's a cool photo. Pretty legit. Shout out to the photographer. That doesn't look AI, but I could be wrong. That's a really cool photo. All right, let's see what we got here. We got cosmetics, skincare. Oh man, my wife would be all over that. Skincare. I keep fit. Support and heat massager, leg massagers. Okay, interesting. Some razors, some shaving razors. Check out this booth for those of you guys getting into professional barber shopping or home care. Probably a brand to check out. They got a line of products here. Pretty cool. All right, what else we got? What else are we moving to? All right, stable voltage. We got battery backups. We got a cat link. Well, that's probably for cats. We got tablets. You got to keep your kids away from ping pong. If you introduce ping pong to your kids, you are going to hate your life. Don't do it. It's like mental crack to kids, man. Insane what they do. All right, let's see. Okay, we got the xTool. So a little bit earlier here, guys, we actually came through and we checked out all of xTool's offering. Got the man Mark. What up, man? I don't think we talked. I think you were a little tied up when we were over here earlier.
Yeah, probably.
What has been your favorite part of this show so far?
I just love talking to everybody.
Okay.
You know, we're just so excited about most of this equipment that it's just fun to talk to people and help understand what it is and how much fun it is to use it.
All right.
The things they can do with it.
So for the people out there that have used industrial equipment and maybe they're like, okay, but xTool can't do this. What do you have to say to the professionals that have an industrial equipment and are now looking at xTool as a competitor?
Well, first of all, I'd have to say you have to look at the scale of what they're doing compared to the scale of what many of our customers are doing. Certainly, big commercial industries could use this type of equipment too for smaller projects and other kinds of things. So I think there's a place for them in that. But I think the real sweet spot here is the smaller businesses who are looking for ways to speed up their production, speed up their prototyping, to find most of the work that this machine can do for a lot of small companies they outfarm. They have to send to other places. So for them to bring that back, now they get much more efficient for prototyping. They can do things that some of the bigger machines can't do in terms of turnaround time, etc. It takes a lot of skill for some of these companies to use those really, really big machines. Have been specialized personnel, lots of training, lots of stuff. Plus they're expensive. I mean, we're just right in the sweet spot of the market where it takes very, very little time to train somebody to use one of these things so they can be productive immediately with it.
That's incredible, man. That's a really good way to look at it. The intersection between would you have to farm this out to an industrial spot, now you can prototype rapidly in your own shop.
Yeah.
And then for the print shop owner or the small business owner, it's like, what can I produce and sell locally? All right, so now you can make another income stream, get into it, and continue to grow your brand and business. Incredible.
Well, for things, you know, we're talking about all the equipment. I mean, the apparel changer has also been a game changer for people who don't have their own ability to do direct-to-film, have been sending things out to other shops, and they might have to drive 2 hours across town to pick it up. The quality may not be what they're looking for. So now you take all of that production capability back into your own hands, and you can make yourself happy, and the time savings for not going to chase all those things. And basically the same with the metal fab. The time you don't spend correcting something that was wrong or having it rerun or do whatever, I think it's enormous time saving for some of these businesses.
Time saving is the thing I'm hearing from you, Mark.
Yeah.
Saving a lot of time and helping you make money. That's why it's green, right? That's why xTool is green.
Yes, sir.
Incredible, man. Love it. Let's speak with you. We'll be stopping by tomorrow, too. Hey, Mark was a great guy. He really summarized where a company like xTool and manufacturers like this come into play. So, there is another one over here. Let's check it out. Let's go through. Portable massagers. What's a portable massager with a VR? What does that do? It's a head massager. Interesting. Okay, where was the other one I saw? I saw somebody else over here. Let's see. Oh, right there. Creality. This is another one of the factories, one of the other equipment manufacturers for home-based business, Creality. Let's go check them out. They do a lot of 3D printing. Personally, I haven't been into the 3D printing myself because I find it's always a little complicated to learn the code and design within 3D, right? But now with AI and a lot of tools, it's a lot more accessible because you can do a step-by-step and walk through and actually make it possible. And I'm actually interested in getting a 3D printer in order to kind of teach my kids how to build their own stuff. I think that'd be so cool for them to learn. Let's go check out the 3D printer side, guys. And if you're watching this right now, drop a question in the chat. We're going to be answering them throughout the stream. Been having a good time here. Just, oh, that's kind of cool. Vibration plates. What do I say? Oh yeah, that's the good stuff right there. This is the kind of stuff that'll recharge you real quick. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Oh yeah. Wow. That's really cool, man. Wow. Vibration plates are a game changer, guys. So the way vibration plates are functioning is it brings a lot of blood through your body. So it's almost like you're working out and running. It burns calories while you're doing it. But more importantly, what I really love about vibration plates is that it also decompresses like the back muscle. So a lot of times if you're working and you're getting stiff, vibration plates actually relax your muscles because they're building blood through it. So this is a really powerful machine here. I've paid for private use of machines like this and they're very expensive. So the fact that I'm gonna find out how much this one is, so this could change my life. How much are these ones running?
These are $9,500 retail. Show price today is $3,800.
$3,800.
$3,800.
That's not bad. This is actually
and
really.
shipping in the U.S.
Is it based out of the U.S. or is it?
This is Dr. Fuji. He designed.
That's Dr. Fuji. I need to talk to the man, Dr. Fuji.
That's the man right
I love him, man. I love his look. Dude, this is really good, man. I was telling people that I used to pay for chiropractor treatments, and they had vibration plates, but it wasn't like this. This is actually a lot stronger than the ones that they even have in chiropractors.
It goes up to 60, so
What do you mean? What do you mean? It goes more?
You're just touching the surface.
Oh, let's see this thing. Turn that thing up. Oh, wow. I'd actually have to hold on to this. Wow, dude.
All the way.
Wow, this is insane, man. I don't know if you guys can see me vibrating or not, but my skull is vibrating right now. All right, let me turn around and. All right. Wow. It's a game changer right here, man.
You're on 60, I'm on 1. You can do exercises, you can do squat.
All right, the squat.
Down, 1, 2.
All right. Oh, man. I've always liked these for my lower back.
And I do that, so I'm holding on. And I just kind of lean forward.
Wow.
Set the microphone.
Wow.
Yeah.
All right. Dr. Japan, what's his name? Dr. Fuji. Dude, that was life-changing right here. This is a good machine. This is good. I gotta talk to Dr. Fuji now. Let's go have him explain to us what he's doing. Wow. Wow, honestly, Dr. Fuji, how's it going, sir? Can I ask you a couple questions? I just tried your vibration plates over there.
Oh, okay.
Absolutely insane how much they vibrate. I've tried a lot in different chiropractors' offices. They're expensive to use.
Yeah, good question. That's a product we designed 50 years before on the CES. At that time, the Trump first term, 2016, American Express and Fox News all coming see the plane because they want the Trump open the manufacturer, give you all American overweight, diabetes, opposite. They cost the government too much money. That's why give you the employee should buy this type of people big. You need to take care. That's why we have a good news. Then that's a good machine. Still very hard on the market. Why? We have a pattern. It's a curve, big.
The big plate.
Yeah. Then amplitude is up to high, up to 12 to 6. It's very high. Also the hertz. We have a partner as Dr. Steven in Texas. Sell to physician $10,000.
Wow.
Why? They spend 8 years clinical study and so many data used for pain management.
Yeah.
Much better PT benefits. So that's why insurance pay by CPT code $10,000. Here we try to help the people have a wellness care, longevity lifestyle, and health, good quality lifestyle.
Incredible lifestyle, man.
It's a lifestyle show.
Yeah. We gotta get Dr. Fuji. Let's go.
I'm like a monkey.
Let's go. Love it, man. Great work. You've been killing it. Love this.
Thank you.
Oh, man. I knew he was going to be a character when I saw him. I was like, let's go talk to Dr. Fuji. Dr. Fuji done lifted my spirits. Ready to go. We're ready to go to the next booth over here. We got Creality. I've always called it Creality. All right, so we got krill tea here. Let's go over here. What is this? Oh, very cool booth. So they make 3D printers, like we mentioned. A lot of creators and people in the 3D space have shown me these, and the capabilities that you have within these types of products is insane. So got a couple different products up here. What's that?
The Iron Man helmet.
Oh yeah, the Iron Man helmet.
Really? Yeah. Like it opens up like the ones on YouTube?
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
A YouTuber brought that. He's filming right now live.
Really?
Oh really? Oh, that's cool. Yeah. So how does this work?
Where are you guys from?
We're in Vegas. Yeah.
Vegas.
xTool. Yeah, so we're working, they brought us in to showcase some of their equipment.
Oh,
but I've always heard of you guys through the 3D printing side, so.
Hey man, I mean xTool and Creality is a match made in heaven,
Oh,
for sure. Maker technologies, but yeah, I mean, we're here showing off, this is our latest product, the Spark Xi7.
Okay.
So this is the product line that's going to bring 3D printing in every household within the next few years.
Okay.
This thing is so easy to use, full multicolor. It's literally almost plug and play.
Wow.
Not only that, but it uses AI systems to automatically generate 3D printing files for the user.
So if you upload a photo or something?
It turns it into a keychain, a little mini figurine.
Oh, that's cool.
I mean, it's
See, that was always my biggest bottleneck in getting a 3D printer, is learning how to design in 3D.
So that bottleneck has been widened for years, but nobody knows. And this is why we're putting this technology into an easy to use device so that everybody can start knowing that, hey, I can go on my phone. I can search something. I have an 18-month-old at home.
Yeah, I got 3 kids.
You got
under
3 kids.
5.
They're going to come to you at Christmas and they're going to be like, what are you getting me? You can easily tell them, hey, go on Creality's website, type in whatever you want, and you can send it to the printer yourself.
Right. That's pretty cool.
Fantastic.
That's incredible, man. So what is this model going to be running when it releases in terms of price points?
So this is a pre-release model, not even open to the public yet, but you're looking probably around $300 to $400.
That's fairly accessible. Yeah,
and
very
again,
accessible.
super accessible.
Yeah.
Now, if you break anything in your house, it's going to cost you more to replace it. This will just fix it for you.
Make it for you.
Make it for you, yeah.
So what kind of applications that broken around the house have you used it for?
A few years ago, I was around 350 pounds. All right.
Wow, you lost a lot of weight, man. Congrats. Good work, man. That's discipline.
And you know what? From that, I didn't want to get rid of my wedding ring. I didn't want to modify it or alter it. So I used my 3D printer to make myself a little gasket to make sure that the ring doesn't come off.
That's pretty cool.
Right? So now my wife is still happy with me. She's not going to yell at me for losing my ring with it falling off.
Right.
And using a 3D printer, not only that, I made my own other ring where I can tap someone's phone and it'll
Give them their
upload my business card.
Oh, we got to try that real quick.
You got NFC running?
I do. Oh.
Is this an
maybe
iPhone?
It's an iPhone, but maybe
the NFC is on there, but
got the.
See if it's running.
Maybe sometimes because I don't have good internet. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't.
I can even show you on my phone.
Yeah, I think sometimes Apple is a little spotty.
So we can take a look here. So my phone, obviously there's nothing there. Take my ring, swipe it up.
Might be the internet signal.
It might be the internet signal.
Yeah, it's
or my NFC is off. Let's turn that back on. There you go, and away we go.
Oh, cool, yeah, because you have to open up the website. But yeah, that's awesome, man. I love it. So then, how did you embed the NFC into that? Is that like a little chip that you have?
3D printing, yeah, you just get the chip from Amazon.
Okay.
You can embed it either into the print or into the back.
That's cool.
And it works perfectly.
Dude, that's incredible, man. I love this. So what's your name again?
Duke.
John Santos. Nice to meet you. I definitely want to get your contact info before we head out. Do you have a card or anything? Or?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah. We'll take a photo.
I'm the marketing manager for Creality, so
That's awesome,
I'm going to be the one that you talk to.
Have you worked? I think you guys work with Michael Wong. He does a lot of 3D printing stuff. I'm not sure if he's used.
Wong, yeah,
Bob Wong. Yep.
He's
a man.
He joined us earlier today.
Oh yeah, I barely missed him. Then I should reach out to him.
We missed him. He was checking out our swag. We actually gave him a pair of shoes.
Nice, nice. Okay. Oh, 3D printed? No, I haven't seen those. What? You guys made
On
them?
the other side.
Really? You guys made those?
We make our own shoes.
Can
I'm
I-
making rings. I'm making
Can I touch those and feel them and show them to the
you can
camera?
try
Let's
them
go
on
try.
if you really
What? Are they comfortable? What? 3D printed shoes right in your house.
We're the future here.
Is this the AI thing? You know, there was an AI video where somebody stood in there and then it printed on top of it.
Oh, that is AI.
That is AI, but this is real.
This is Nicole here. She's going to give you a little tour of NextBe, our sub-brand for 3D printed shoes.
That's incredible. Appreciate it, man. We'll be in touch. Yep. All right, nice to meet you, John Santos.
Thank you, Nicole.
So he just said that you guys have 3D printed shoes.
Yes, yeah, this is our latest product.
Interesting. So how does this work? What does it do? Or
Okay, you can see this one. Can you imagine you press it, it
Yeah.
snaps back. Okay,
Yeah.
even though you use the car to go across it, will snaps back as well.
Interesting.
So you can see the material, the surface is very smooth, right?
Yeah.
And with this solid, the sole.
Yeah. How does the sole work? Are you guys 3D printing the sole too? Or no? It has some
Yes,
cushion?
it is.
Really?
Yeah, you can see the lattice mesh design.
I do see that.
Okay.
That's a game changer right here.
So this one is the casual shoe, right?
Yeah.
You can see the lattice mesh design is totally different with this one.
Yeah. And that's comfortable too.
Yeah, right. So for this one, we mainly like for people to casual wear, daily wear every day.
Mm-hmm.
And then this one is like we consider some people may need some running, some sport. Okay, so this part you can see the lattice
Got
mesh
that.
here
Yeah.
gonna be a tense.
Yeah,
A little
yeah.
bit tense, right?
Yeah.
And then this one
It's more
is-
relaxed
yeah,
fit
yes,
crotch.
Yes, right.
Interesting.
So
Wow.
different design, so we can suitable for different people to ride on.
Interesting. So you guys are selling this as your own brand, or people can make their own shoes, or what's the?
Yeah, we sell it as our own
Your own
brand,
brand.
NextBe. So NextBe is under
NextBe is under
yeah,
three.
sub-brand under Creality.
Okay, that makes sense.
And we
This
so
is cool.
Creality focus on doing the printers,
Mm.
and we mainly focus doing the 3D printed finished products.
Got it. That's
so we
really
want people.
cool.
We made the shoes so people can feel it and wear it every day, and it's like okay, feel like wow.
Do you have a size 12? Is there a size 12 to try? I really want to try these on. I've always looked at so if you guys haven't seen the AI video, there's a video where somebody puts their foot in there and then it makes the shoe. I saw that video, I knew it was AI, but this is the real thing. This is actually 3D printed.
That's right, and this is a 12.
Here's a 12. All right, let's try this out.
Okay, and this style.
Oh,
12 as
okay.
well. So different design, gonna be different ride feel.
Wow, that's not bad.
Yeah.
That actually feels more comfortable than a Croc.
Yes,
Like
right.
Crocs are so uncomfortable, but easy slip on.
Yeah, for the durability test, we made it like two-way. So first, we go to the Intertech, okay, to do the bending test like this.
Okay.
Okay, for at like 45 degree and bend like 150,000 times.
Ah, to see.
You know what's the standard for the regular shoes?
What?
That's only 120,000 times.
Wow, so you guys went over the.
Yes, right. And we do the 3 months trial test with a real person whose weight is over 130 kilograms.
It's a big person.
3 months every day. So this gonna stay with the same shape and won't collapse.
Oh, that's so cool. That's incredible. And it's all made with 3D printers. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna try this one.
Yeah, it's kind of a different feeling.
Yeah. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's nice.
Yeah.
That's nice. Wow, guys, 3D printed shoes are here. Check those out. Check out my kicks. 3D printed shoes are real. You can actually see them. The sole, I was always a little hesitant on the soles of shoes like this. I'm like, how are they gonna be comfortable? These are comfortable. Technology, innovation.
Yeah, right.
Very
Because,
nice.
Most of the people, they know about 3D printing. Maybe they think that 3D printing can only make simple
Yep.
toys, but actually not. Yeah, now we made a really great progress like right now.
Right here, guys. Check this out. Check this out. 3D printed shoes. They're here. They're real. They're changing the way that you can design. I'm imagining if you can make shoes out of 3D printed material, because you can make almost anything out of 3D printing now. So 2026, we're going to see a lot more of this. I guarantee you that. So start thinking about how you can embed some of this into fashion, accessory pieces, bags, shoes. Take a look at this product, order some product. It's also part of the 3D printer company Creality, and incredible, well made, amazing.
And you can see we have a lot of wonderful colors.
Yes, very nice, very futuristic looking.
Right, so people can choose what their favorite colors.
Yeah, no, this is nice.
Very fashion.
Very nice. Is this made overseas, shipped here, or is it made in the States?
Yeah, we have a warehouse in LA.
Okay, warehouse in LA.
So when people order it online, and we just deliver it to you.
Okay.
Yeah, gonna be fast.
Awesome.
Yeah.
I really appreciate this. And
thank you for
amazing.
coming.
Amazing stuff happening here, guys. Make sure you check them out. We got the booth there. Let's get some look. 3D printed shoes, guys. We got Reality making 3D printed shoes. They're bringing it to market. You get that display? Let's get a nice pan around. Oh, check this out too. Kind of do. They said that they're making the 3D printing so accessible that you can upload your files and it'll start making things overnight. Bro, my son would lose his mind if he made this.
Mobile Suit Gundam.
Oh, wow. That is sick. I'll take a picture of that. That's clean. Insane. Okay, guys. Anything's possible. Like, I mean, just seeing this kind of stuff here, a cube puzzle. What does that even mean? What does a cube puzzle mean? You take it apart? Oh, that's pretty cool. That's definitely like a nice showpiece that you put on your shelf. Wow. AI and 3D printing. Changing the game. Changing the game, guys. What is this? What is this guy? We seeing a robot? Is this a real robot? Hello, Mr. Robot. Is that that's a real robot right there.
Yeah.
He's looking like RoboCop. He does not look friendly. He looks like he actually works. The other one looked like it just messed around. Earlier in the stream, there was a cute little robot. I'm like, that thing don't work. This guy works. Check him out. He's feeding grandma. He can feed grandma, right? You can do your dishes, pick up your boxes from Amazon. You can play with your kids. You just automated parenting right there. Man. All right. How we looking at white balance and stuff? Is that all automated?
Yeah, it's all
okay, auto. Cool, perfect. All right, let's keep it going. Let's keep it going. CNC Pro level. AI beauty smart hydration has a lot. What does smart hydration mean? Hi, nice to meet you, John.
This is our smart hydration, and wait a second.
Is it gonna spray us in the face right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can try a bit.
Oh.
And it automatically adjusts the volume. If you are far, then it's more heavy. Your clothes is more gentle, and if there's nothing, it will stop automatically.
That's really cool. So the use of this is you're wasting less product, is that, or you're applying the right amount?
This is the latest product. We just released on Kickstarter.
Okay, nice. How did that do?
And we also have some other molds, like this one is lifting molds. The mist have some beat and rhythm. You can feel it.
Yeah.
It's like doing a facial massage.
Oh, interesting. That's some innovative stuff right here. What is this selling for retail-wise now?
This one is $230.
$230. Not bad. I mean, a lot of these machines are always insane. Okay, very cool. Thank you for showing us this. It caught my attention with the look. I was like, what is a smart hydrator? It's literally knows exactly.
We also have an app comes out with connected to the phone, and through the app you can do the facial hydration testing of your face to check if you need to hydrate, or how much do you need to hydrate, and how often do you need to use it, the app will also remind you.
Very cool stuff right there, guys. Smart beauty technology right here at CES. It's awesome. All right, let's keep it going. Rewinding childhood. All right, guys. Personally, I've always been against cameras because people can hack them. I go old school with a radio. Just gotta. What is rewinding childhood? Is this equipment? Hello. Is this all like home living goods, or it caught my attention? Rewinding childhood. What is that?
Yeah, rewinding childhood and fast forwarding online safety. So we are an online safety company.
Okay.
We have a software, an app that parents can use to manage and monitor their kids' online activities.
Okay.
And we also have a kid's smartphone and a kid's smartwatch.
Smart, so then you can monitor and protect them.
That's right. Yeah. So we do parental controls, but we also do like content monitoring. So like, let's say your kid gets into some content that maybe could be concerning, like violence, sexual activity, that kind of thing. We actually send the parent an alert.
Oh wow!
So it's your digital family watchdog.
In real time, like your person's
in
watching
more
this?
real time. Yeah, I wouldn't say exact real time, but like pretty quick.
Knock on little Jimmy's door.
Yeah.
Little Jimmy, what are you doing in there, buddy?
Personally, been there, done that.
Wow.
I have children.
I got 3, but they're still under 5. So, but this is cool because we're looking at tech of like, you know, how would, if we were to give them a phone, what phone is it? It's definitely not the regular phones that we got. So.
The only phone is a smartphone, in my opinion, but you know, bias.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's what we do, and this was just kind of a nod to like when childhood was less about screens and more about playing.
Playing. So that's what you guys are. You're still connected to your kids, but your kids are also connected to what you're doing, so you can still parent and they can still have fun and be kids.
Exactly.
That's so awesome. That's so cool. You guys, how long has this been around?
We were founded in 2015.
Okay, so 10 years.
So 10 years.
Nice.
Yeah, we protect around 7.5 million kids today.
That's insane. That's so cool. Who was one of the founders? Were you one of them, or
no?
You've been working here for.
Not that smart. I've been there since 2018.
Okay.
But our founder is Brian Basin, and our co-founder is our CTO is Brandon.
What have you found is like, just based on your experience, obviously, of you working with the company for so long, what have you found has been the adoption point to parents or to your target customer? Like, what has resonated the most with them?
Well, I think it's shifted over the years because there's much more awareness now, I think, with parents of this generation than there were, say, even back in 2015. Like, my generation, we didn't grow up with phones, and so we didn't quite know what we were getting into, giving our kids technology, right? I think, like, now the adoption point is much more proactive. I think parents are seeking out technology that's like made for their children and made with their safety in mind. And then it just depends on the age group as far as like what they're adopting. But we're seeing a lot of kids say first phones, sort of like people want that just built in and kind of like an easy button, right?
Yeah.
Can manage it, but I think it's an exciting time too because there's so much more awareness among parents that grew up in high school with a cell phone, and they're like, I know what I got into, and like we're gonna make sure that doesn't happen with our kids.
And now with AI, like AI is even changing what content is out there. Like you don't even know it's real or fake.
Is it real? Is it fake? Right? Yeah.
That's
and
insane.
then also like kids chatting with AI. Like there's a lot of complexity there, but that's one of the reasons that we differentiate a bit from like just sort of standard parental controls. Is we actually use machine learning algorithm AI. We've had it for 10 years now, so it's very mature and advanced to help parents kind of understand, like, if they're using an emoji that, you know, might just look like a gas can to you, like, they're actually talking about getting high, right? Like, our algorithm understands that, so we can notify you.
Little Jimmy, we're here to talk to you again.
Haven't been to that one. Haven't had to do that one, thankfully, but yeah.
So then the phones, how do the phones look, or what do they work? Is it just regular look?
Yeah, it's our software.
It's your software running on your own phone?
Into a Samsung Galaxy A series phone.
Okay.
So it looks like a normal phone. Kids won't be embarrassed to carry it around. In fact, the only people that'll know that it's a smartphone is mom and kiddo.
It still has apps, like all the apps.
Yeah,
you can load up Instagram and still play
If the
Instagram.
parent wants to allow it, you absolutely can. You can also disallow the app store and it'll disappear from their screen.
That's cool.
So the parent has a lot of control here. And then again, whatever you do decide to allow, our content monitoring is always running in the background.
That makes sense.
So it's like training wheels for tech, if you will.
Got it.
And then the smartwatch is talk and text, no apps, no internet, no browser. So it's like very introductory tech. You can track their location. You can make sure they got to school on time, or if they need mom to pick them up from practice, they can call mom. But that's what it's designed for. It's just like very introductory tech.
That's call and text.
Yes.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
That's
call
cool.
and
That's
text,
perfect.
and they can take photos and text to mom if they want. There's a camera right there.
Oh, that's cool.
But we also do monitor the text messages. So say you approve, your daughter's best friend, and then all of a sudden best friend's like, hey, let's sneak out tonight.
Right.
We would alert you to that.
Rebecca, we're watching you.
Yeah.
It's some good stuff. This is so awesome.
Thank you.
I love your guys' booth display too. It really caught my eye.
much.
It's very it feels like home. Like love my neighbor. This is like how her house looked. It just felt, they called it to me because that was my childhood. I was growing up with kids that had really cool stuff in their backyard. We used to play, run around.
That's exactly what we were going for. So it's music to my ears.
Incredible.
Yeah.
Awesome,
Thank you
Leslie.
so much.
Where can people find you guys? What's your website?
Bark.us.
Bark.us. That's what confused me. I thought it was a dog company.
No,
I'm like,
we are. We're your digital family watchdog.
Family watchdog, digital. Now it makes sense.
Yeah.
Bark.us, guys. Check this out. Thank you.
so much.
You can see- That was cool. Again, another good example of how you can differentiate yourself within a market that's already saturated, right? So smartphone market, saturated. Apps saturated, but how do you control that? How do you actually help kids and parents that want to monitor their kids and make sure that they're not looking at stuff that little Jimmy should not be looking at? Little Jimmy, if you're watching, make sure you fast forward through that other guy over there. He was not cool. All right. What do we got coming up, guys? As you guys can see, there's so much to see. Oh, there's some robots. Let's go check out these robots. So I've been hearing a lot about robotics and trying to see where do we go? Where's robotics gonna go? How helpful are they gonna be? I see some people outsourcing their parenting to them. This one looks pretty interesting. So this looks like a stuffed animal of some kind. Is it an Alexa on wheels? Let's find out. What is this? So we got this guy over here. Hello, can you talk to me? Huh? These are dressed up like they're your best friends. Oh, that's actually kind of cute looking. Not gonna lie. Hello, robot. Oh, he's tracking you, sir. Ah, interesting. Wow. That's a really cool looking robot, not gonna lie. Oh, he's following you. He's like, good to see you. Oh, wow. What are you? Wow, I wonder if he talks. I think he is talking. Oh, hey, he likes me. You didn't like him, huh? Wow, okay, guys, this is getting real. I think this robot is flirting with me. Oh, come on, dude. You little quickle woogie. Can I pet you? Are you petable? You're a cute robot. Very interesting. Very interesting. How's it going, man? John Santos, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, man. I'm Troy. I'm the branding manager of Allabot. It's nice to meet you.
This is cool, man. This is incredible. So tell me a little bit about this. I'm seeing a lot of cute robots and outfits. What is this?
Oh, it's kind of a cyber pet that we create for family companionship, focused especially on emotional companion.
Okay.
So it's like a memory keeper for all the family members. For example, let me show you.
Yeah.
Hey, Olo. Take a picture for us. Yeah, you can see it. Now he's gonna take a picture. Yes, and this picture and all the videos are kept totally local, so our users don't need to worry about the privacy issues.
Oh, wow. So it stays, it's like a camera built in.
Yes.
So then emotional robot. Tell me a little bit about what emotional robot means.
Well, for example, we use some program that on the sensor and also the camera here, you can sense your emotions. Yeah, feel your for example, I'm now upset, or I'm angry, or I'm sad. Then it was able to sense it, and then it will come to me and try to comfort me.
It'll be like, hello, why are you mad?
Oh, or I feel like you're heartbreaking. Do you need a hug?
Oh,
yes.
Wow, really? That's so cool. It's like a dog, but better.
Yeah. And because it can show what it wants to say on the screen, it does not make noises, because sometimes people are annoyed by
Alexa or something talking to you. Yeah.
Yeah, talking all the time. Like for me, when I was off back home, I don't want to hear a word about human. Yeah. So actually, I have a lot of pets already, and my idea is that maybe in the future, because we sense that a lot of people who won't have pets, sometimes they have fur allergy or like family issues. They don't want you to keep a pet. Then for those people, maybe a separate pet is like the best choice.
This is really cool, man. I actually really see this in how it can help in the house.
Yes.
Like kids probably would love it. Obviously, the way you guys branded it is very well done. Is this something that you guys designed in Mastermind?
Yes, actually, that was like an IP characteristic. So we created a kind of IP story to make this brand like more vivid, to make the brand identity like more real.
This is so cool, man. You guys executed at a really good level. Like I would say, one of the best branded robots that actually call your attention and make you want to come see what it is about.
Thank you so much. And actually, I would say, these 4 characters, they actually is like our future.
Can you grab
strategy.
the front over there?
Yes.
He'll grab the front and we'll talk.
Like the future product strategy.
Okay, so it's a future product strategy.
Yeah, this is like the represent of our first products.
That's cool.
And actually, they are like the future products.
Okay,
So,
future products.
It's like the first one, and then they're coming. Yeah, coming soon.
Oh, that's cool, man. Really cool design. I can see cartoons off of them, little animations that you have on your website.
Yeah.
On the app integration.
Yes.
So cool, man. You guys did a great job with this. How long has it been in business? How long have you guys been with doing this?
Well, actually, this is the first time we come to CES, and we have been running this brand for a whole year.
1 year?
Yeah, 1 year actually.
Wow, good job.
Yeah.
Good stuff.
And we might go to the market like this summer.
Okay, so it's still something where you guys are about to launch in the market now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, because we still want to make this product like better. So at this time we come to CES to see how people feel like it, to people how they feel it, and how they want like some other function they will need.
That makes
so
sense.
then we can make a better products for this companionship market.
That makes sense. For kids, I would say cool stories, story time. That'd be awesome. A little music player.
Yeah. Actually,
You do all that.
Dance.
All of that's already there, so it's all for kids, man.
Yeah.
I'd look at it from that perspective. Like, how is this going to entertain my family?
Yes.
That's cool,
it
man.
can do real-time video call to
cool.
family members.
That's cool.
For example, when I have this Allabot app, I'm now business trip out here, and then I talk to the Allabot app. I say, Allo, go see my son and see if he's doing good.
And he'll go over there.
Yeah, I will it will go to my son, and then it will ask, hey, Lucas, do you want to talk to dad? And if Lucas say yes, then I will be able to have a video call with Lucas. But usually he will reject.
Wow. So do you have an option where it's like, you have no option, son, you got to talk to me? I needs to be on there. Mandatory talk to my son. You need that in America.
Yeah, I understand.
That was actually really cool, man. This is incredible.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for sharing the story. Where can people find you? Where can they buy it? Where can they get it?
We will go for the Kickstarter like this summer.
Okay,
yes.
Kickstarter, Allabot.
Yes, Allabot.
Incredible. Do you have a card or anything? I'd love to connect with you offline.
Actually, my business
I'll
card
take
was sold out today, but
I'll just take a
do
photo.
you think we can have maybe WhatsApp?
Yeah,
or
WhatsApp. Yep.
WhatsApp? Okay.
So let me scan yours. I know it's kind of hard to scan sometimes. I think it's here.
Like you? Here's my WhatsApp. And I can also send you our media kit.
Can I just take a picture of it? I don't think it's working. That's because I have no internet in here.
Or maybe I can add you.
Yeah.
Do you think it's okay? Yeah, I can add you
How do I get the QR code? Oh, yeah. This is cool, man. This is awesome. I'll drop my website on there too. Ron Santos. And then I think this is where. How do I save? Is it right there?
Yeah.
Oh.
I will send you my.
And I'll send you my website and everything.
Yeah, I will send my name and my business card.
Cool. No, this is great, man. You did a great job with the...
Yeah, it's a great pleasure to meet you here.
Yeah, likewise. We'll be in touch.
Thank you so much.
All right, appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Likewise. Your name was?
Yeah, it's Troy.
Troy.
Wait a moment.
Okay.
I have something for you.
All right, for sure, man. Oh, this is really cool, guys. So check this out. Very well branded. This is an example of a company that's about to launch. So they're here getting market research, right? So that's also important to keep in mind when you're launching something new.
There's a souvenir.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah,
thank you. Oh, my kids are
souvenir.
going to love it, man.
And some sneaker and this bag.
Oh, dude, this is so awesome.
Like it.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
There's some great swag, man. He's got some great swag in here, taking care of the people that are going to be pushing this very well designed branding. Again, this is an example of a company that's here, that's in the stage of launching. So instead of just launching thinking that they have it all figured out, they're actually here to make sure that they're getting the real-time feedback before they do their official launch on Kickstarter. And Kickstarter is actually one of the companies that a lot of these brands have launched with. So if you're launching something innovative, it's a good way to prove out if there's a good demand for what you're working on, especially with new products. New products require that you validate what it is that you're working on, right? And Kickstarter, as well as Indiegogo, are great platforms to validate brand new ideas and inventions and designs. So definitely a product and a category that you should consider. We actually launched one of the products that we had on Kickstarter. It proved out the demand, which allowed us to get a lot more marketing too. Getting your project fully funded on Kickstarter does a lot more than just getting the funds to produce. It also helps you put a nice badge that says fully funded on Kickstarter, which is a little nice badge to prove to market, right? So incredible, amazing booth. We're gonna grab a little bit of B-roll just so you guys can see the overall brand aesthetic and design. You can just walk through and just kind of grab the different booths. And as you guys can see here, it's very well branded, designed. It already feels like it's a legit company that's been around for years, and they just have been developing over the last year. And now, look, there's even people taking photos next to their mascots here. Like you can start to build out, like once you identify who your audience is, like those older people with the inner child, right? Or even like the people that just want to feel loved and heard. They've done such a good job with this. So honestly, incredible work, incredible design. Gotta give them a huge shout out. Let's get on with this tour, guys. All right. So now, there is so much to see, guys. This is absolutely insane right now. There's a lot of things happening here. And I think there's so much happening here. I don't know. Leave it in the chat. Do you guys want us to go live again and cover a whole different convention? Because I think we've only gotten like halfway through on this one, huh? I don't think we've seen this floor alone. There's a whole nother show. AI robots, AI cars, AI software, marketing. So much more to see at CES, guys. So let me know right now in the chat. Should we go live again and cover the other convention hall? Let me know right now. Maybe we'll make something happen for you guys. And if you guys have been watching this from the beginning, I highly appreciate every single one of you guys who have been streaming and tuning in. We're gonna be answering your chat throughout the questions. We're gonna be answering the questions throughout the chat. And we're gonna keep things going and moving forward on this channel because 2026 is the year of adapting to AI. AI is here. It's been here the last 3 or 4 years, but 2026 is that pivotal moment where AI and real life application, meaning robots, factories, work processes for your brand, for your manufacturing business, all intersect. And CES this year, very impressed me. I'm very impressed with the different applications that they have. Some of them a little funky and a little like, you know, too X-rated for this YouTube channel. So we had to pull it back and make sure that we're good. So if YouTube is listening, this is a safe for home, safe for kids, safe for family, safe for everybody to watch, because you see the cameraman did an amazing job of making sure that everything is legit and that we continue to help you build your brand and business from the ground up. So we're gonna be doing an incredible thing. We just uploaded all the PDFs that you guys need to start your brand. So make sure you go on down there, download your free PDFs, and then go on and apply to the one-on-one brand mastery. We kicked off 2026 with some incredible brands. I'm excited to be working with you guys, for our team to work with you guys. Let's make 2026 a major success. Click below to apply. And let's check out just this last couple of booths. Let's see what we run into, because that one was a pretty cool little show. And now we got a dog. Is this a fake, an AI dog? Is it moving? Oh, I think that was me.
It's a word for self-flushing cat toilet.
You're what?
Self-flushing cat toilet.
Oh, it's a toilet. I thought it was the cats. It's
toy cats are just for demonstration.
God, I thought they were like cats that moved. I was like, oh, that's kind of, that would be kind of cool.
That's a full ecosystem.
For cats
And dogs.
and dogs. So it helps you clean up, helps you maintain your animals.
The cat will go in there, will take a dump. When they leave, all the waste and litters will be flushed down to the sewage. But unlike the different traditional litter box, we will store the litter and the dirty stuff inside and keep the smell for days, even a week.
This goes to the sewage.
Go into the sewage instantly.
How does that work? How do you have to connect it to the bathroom? Or?
Let's take a look at the back of the machine.
Interesting. He caught my attention. I'm a guy that knows his plumbing work. I get down and dirty sometimes, so.
You got to connect the water from here. Water pipes go in there, and the dirty water go out from here to the sewage.
Oh,
so cat inside will take a dump, and they leave. The sensors will tell the machines to start to clean up. So the inner chamber will be rotating.
So like, would you put this in a bathroom, in a regular?
Regularly, most of the clients will put that in the bathroom.
In the bathroom.
Some of them even put in the balcony or even in the living room. As long as there's a water connection and the pipeline.
And then where does the drain go though? Where does the drain pipe go to? Just to the street?
There's a drain, same as your washing machine goes to. There's a connection there.
Okay.
So I'll show you guys there.
Interesting. This is a very interesting.
That's the container for litter. Only requirement for this machine is that you've got to use a dissolvable litter. That's so-called tofu litter.
Okay.
That's the next part.
Wow, the cat goes in there.
This chamber will be rotating when the cat finishes pooping. When the cat leaves, will be rotating.
Rotates.
Yeah, all the dirty
flushes
stuff
it out.
will be dropping down to next units. There.
Oh, wow.
That units, what's going to happen is the blade will pulverize litter and the cat poops. And the strong fluid will be coming down to flat that all down to the sewage.
That's a very complex system, man.
Yeah.
But it looks very easy to maintain. Like it's not gonna take you forever to
You can
clean.
install this by yourself in like 20 minutes.
Wow. What are these running? How much does it cost to install one of these?
Roughly about 2K.
2K. But for people that have a lot of cats, and I know some people watching are big cat lovers, this is worth. It'll keep the house smelling good.
There will be no smell.
No smell in your house, guys. For those of you.
Here, there's a new air system.
Okay. Wow.
Inside that, there's air filtration. There's a photo catalyst.
Wow.
Okay, exterminate all the smells.
No smell in the house. This might mean I have to get a cat now.
Yeah. Or you can even try to train your dog, but I don't suggest that.
You don't suggest training a dog?
Because it's exclusively for cats.
Exclusively, this is exclusive VIP for cats only.
Yeah.
No dogs.
Yeah, no dogs. So we go to next thing and some other products there.
Interesting. And then it's got feeder bowls and.
There's a water dispenser. We did the design of water and electricity separation. We lift the upper part up.
Oh, that's cool. Wow. That's innovative. That's cool. Wow.
There's two mods. One is called continuous mods, which means the water flow will keep flowing like this.
Wow.
The other mod is called the echo system, echo mod. That means the water will keep raining for 30 seconds, then it will take a rest for 2.5 minutes.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
And there's an 8-layer of filtration here, including Pify net.
Your cat is living good.
Yeah.
Your cat is living good.
Fresh and
Wow. This is awesome, man. Thank you so much for showing us around. It was incredible. Caught my attention, thought that you guys had AI cats, but you got something better. You got an AI cleaning system.
We got a whole AI family.
Oh, AI family.
That is a grooming machine. That
Grooming. Wow.
You can groom, you can trim, you can vacuum on this.
Incredible.
There's attachment here.
Wow. if you own a cat, you're like 10 grand in to have a full system for that one cat. So you got to own more cats now if you got this, right? You got at least have like 5 cats in the house now.
You can keep the 5 cats safe and you safe and sound, and you can use the toilet. You can go away for a few days without any man carrying on. For one cat, we can use that machine for 45 days.
Oh wow! Wow,
and then
insane.
we can store 15 liters of liter.
Wow, insane. Hey man, thank you so much for showing us this whole thing. Where can people buy it?
From Amazon.
From Amazon, and it's called Pet Goo Goo. Pet Goo Goo. Let's take a look at their booth, guys. Check out Pet Goo Goo on Amazon. This is good quality stuff, man. You did your thing. Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Yeah, you too. I know a lot of people watching have a cat. Sometimes when I go to people with cats' houses, it surprises me when their house smells clean. And the houses that do smell clean, I'm like, what do you do to not make it smell? And they say, I clean up every single day. They're like vacuuming. It's a lot of work to maintain a house that doesn't smell like cats. That right there was probably one of the best $2,000 investments that you can get if you want a clean house. Now we got toilets? Oh, I don't know. You're making me want to go. Can I use it? Just kidding, just kidding. This is cool. So it's got the full sensing system.
You want to use it?
Yeah, am I able to?
You can use it.
Yeah?
But you have to take off your pants.
All right, let's go. No, that'd be gross. So then this has the switch on the wall. Does it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's right here, right? Yeah, this controller. The controller.
Right.
This is cool. I think my my in-law has one of these. You guys sell these on Amazon?
Yeah.
Yeah, my in-law has one.
This one.
Is it this one? Yeah. Well, my in-law has one that looks like that. I think it's that one.
You live in Las Vegas?
Yeah, we're from here.
Oh, I'm from here too.
Oh, are you? Is this where the company's based out of, or?
Yeah, wherever.
No, you guys are in Torrance. Okay, you guys are in California?
No. I'm in Las Vegas, but company's in Torrance.
Okay, cool. Oh, that's awesome. This is great, man. I've seen, I want to say it was that one that they have. I know it's this controller. Interesting.
Yeah.
Good stuff. Very innovative, high tech, nice. Keeps your butt warm. It's got. Oh, this is creme de la creme. Yeah. I've used these all the time. Oh yeah.
Warm fit.
It's changed your life. Once you sit on one of these toilets, you don't want to sit on a regular toilet no more.
Exactly.
It's high-end stuff. Awesome, man. Appreciate it. Have a good one. Yep. Oh, awesome. Thank you. Thank you so much. Bobo. Make sure you guys check out Bobo. They're going to be on Amazon, right?
It's not Bobo.
What is it?
Volvo.
Volvo. Not Volvo. Volvo. Thank you, my friend. All right. Wow. So I think we've entered the cat and human waste with AI. So bathrooms, kitty litters, clean houses, all for a clean home. That's the best way to describe this section. Clean home technology. And this has been an incredible stream. I think this has been one of the best streams that we've done, one of the longest streams that we've done, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this, hit a like, hit a subscribe. We're diving into more things that you need to have in 2026 to succeed with AI. We just went to xTool, we went to Creality, we checked out 3D printers, we checked out laser cutters, we checked out all the things that are happening within AI in a small space. So if you guys want us to go live again, let us know. Comment down below, and we'll see you on that next live stream. Make sure you guys are downloading all of the PDFs to this community. If you're a new viewer of this channel, on this channel, our whole mission is to help you build a brand and business from the ground up with whatever resources you have, whether you're on a budget, whether you have a high budget. We'll show you different tools, different applications, different tips and options that you have to be building a brand. If you're a creator and you're looking to launch and monetize with a product, our one-on-one brand mastery is for you. If you're on a brand that's looking to scale with content, check out that one-on-one brand mastery. Hit that apply below button. It'll actually book you a consultation with one of our team members, or even me most of the time. And we'll be talking one-on-one and seeing if you're a good fit, because that's our goal, is to support you throughout this year and to continue helping you grow. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next live.